Okay, so we are live. I know it's 3 minutes late, but who cares? Hello, everybody, and welcome to the session. So, here we are with yet another wonderful session on India's leading junior channel, Vedantu Young Wonders. How many of them are here? Hi Ritu, hi Radha Krishnan, hi Jishnu. Welcome everybody. So today we will be doing the entire marathon for your IMO's exam, which is going to come this November. Yes. First of all, quickly give me a yo in the chat box if you're writing IMO. If you are somebody giving IMO this year, quickly give me a yo in the chat box right now. Come on, hurry up. Hi, Manisha. Awesome. Okay. So, Muniswami, I'll call you Radha Krishnan. Okay. Hi, Ritu. New. Can't hear you. Wait, I can hear myself. Okay, increase your volume, RF. Awesome. And everybody who is new to this entire platform, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Haripriya and I am going to be your maths master teacher here on Vedantu. And I am here to make maths easy peasy, pizza cheesy for all of you. So that's a little about me. My name is Haripriya. Hi Tarun, hi Avi, and hello everybody. So if you are someone or if you know somebody who is giving IMO this year in November, do tell them that this is going to be a very important session. And 1 minute. Okay. Anyways, okay. So that's a little about me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is haripriya.vedantu. ठीक है, पूरे एक बुक का वन शॉट करेंगे. हाँ, पूरा जो भी आपके इंपॉर्टेंट सिलेबस में इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स है उसका हम पूरा रिवीजन करेंगे. ठीक है, जैसे नवमिता मैम ने एनएसओ के लिए किया था for National Science Olympiad. We are going to do the same thing for IMO. We will be doing previous year questions. We will be revising the concepts that you need to know, the formulas that are important. And sometimes it's not just always formulas. It's a small trick or the concept behind it, right? So we are going to do all of that in today's session. So are you ready, guys? Because it's going to be a pretty long session. बहुत ही बड़ा session होने वाला है because we will be doing the entire syllabus of your grade 8. At the end of the session, I am going to solve a sample paper for all of you. I'm going to show you how the question paper is going to come. What are the areas you need to concentrate, where you can score marks, where you might lose marks or where you have to concentrate. सब कुछ discuss होगा आज के session में, ठीक है? So first of all, quickly give me a heart in the chat box right now. Right now. Come on. Hi Sanjay, thank you so much. Yes, मैं मैथ्स पढ़ाऊंगी IMO का. What about geometry? सब कुछ होगा बच्चा, सब कुछ. Practical geometry, comparing quantities, direct inverse, you just name it, we'll do it. Awesome, and I'm loving the chats. Come on, quickly call in all your friends because आपको पता है आपके स्कूल में भी बहुत सारे आपके BFFs, okay, your best friends, everybody, most of them are writing IMO, right? So all your cousins, if anybody is writing, तो उनको भी ये session अभी के अभी भेज दो. And we will be having week quiz also. So yes, we will be having week quiz. We'll solve question papers and a lot of fun. So grade 8 का IMO के लिए, what are all the concepts that we have? We will be having all the chapters starting from the first one. Rational numbers, squares and square roots, exponents and powers, comparing quantities जो कि बहुत ही important है. Algebraic expressions and identities also important. Factorization, understanding quadrilaterals, practical geometry and visualizing solid shapes, linear equation in one variable, mensuration and also direct and inverse. ठीक है? So these are all the chapters that we will be having in the syllabus. इनमें से कुछ भी आ सकता है, like whatever question from wherever it can come. There might be questions. There are questions in the previous year which is a combination of two chapters. मतलब they have given linear equation and they have given direct and inverse, or they have given factorization along with algebraic expressions. So it can be a combination. It can be mensuration along with linear equations in one variable या algebraic expressions and identities, है ना? तो most of the questions are usually a combination of two or more concepts. कोई भी direct question नहीं रहेगा. But that little twist, that little concept or the idea behind the question is what you need to catch hold of, है ना? So then that's it. The question paper will be super duper easy for all of you. Okay, I don't know about this channel. Tell me something. RF, acha, let me tell you about this channel first. So this is India's leading junior channel and we cater to grade 6th to 8th. सारे subjects आपको मिल जाएंगे NCERT syllabus CBSE का. Along with that, there's a lot of entertainment happening. There's a lot of fun sessions coming up, on this channel. आपको सब कुछ एक बार आप just go through our page, our channel, you will know everything. ठीक है? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon because जब भी कुछ नया series आ रहा है या video आ रहा है, any fun video or informative video, you will definitely be notified. ठीक है? ठीक है? Hi Chirag. Chalo. Let us get started. Yogesh says, let's get started. Let us go. So make sure you're sitting with everything like water bottle, pen, book to solve everything because we are going to have a pretty long session. So starting off with the first one, we will be revising the important topics first. कि उस chapter में कि क्या important हो सकता है, what all important things you need to know from the chapter. Then we will be doing quizzes. ठीक है? Questions, previous year questions. Cool. Ma'am, on 7th maths paper is there? Yes. For that only we are preparing, bacha. For that only we are preparing. Okay? Chalo. Good evening, Radhika. Hi, Nimisha. Welcome. Grade 7th का भी होगा. Tomorrow we will be doing for grade 7th. ठीक है? Today is for grade 8th. Tomorrow grade 7th. Cool? सारे chapters होंगे, बच्चा. It's just not 3 and 4. We'll do all the chapters. Come on. Let us get started with the first one, that is rational numbers. When do you say that a number is a rational number? Easy peasy. Anything that can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Matlab they can be negative numbers also. Minus 7 by 11 is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are integers and your denominator can never be equal to 0. So these are the three conditions for a number to be a rational number. So basically, ये जो rational number है, this is the BAP of all the numbers. So under rational number, you'll have integers, fractions, decimals, then you have natural numbers, whole numbers, right? So all of these are nothing but comes under the family of rational numbers. Got it? All the integers, all whole numbers, fractions, decimals, natural numbers, all of them come under the family of rational numbers. Okay. Now, just like how we have for whole numbers, integers and all, rational numbers also have their own set of properties. So starting off with the first and the very famous closure property. So addition of rational numbers, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers follow closure property. यहाँ division में there is an exception. Division by 0 is not allowed. When you divide a rational number by 0, this is not defined. Please remember this. Division by 0 is not allowed. There can come a trick question here. Remember, division by 0 is not allowed. Okay, this is the only exception here. Okay, commutative property. Again, who are the good students? Addition, multiplication. So, addition and multiplication of two rational numbers is commutative. You can multiply or add them in any order you want to. Now, bigger brother of commutative property is associative property. Why? In commutative property, we will be taking only two rational numbers. But what if we have more than two rational numbers? That's where we have our associative property. They say that if I give you more than two rational numbers, the order in which you add them or multiply them will not matter. Okay? So these are the properties of rational numbers. Cool? Yes, everybody? Everybody who is new to the channel, first of all, heartily welcome to this channel. Do not forget to show us some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Cool, everybody? Chalo. Next we have additive and multiplicative inverse. What is additive inverse? If you take a number, let's say 3 by 11, the additive inverse of 3 by 11 will be the negative of itself. Suppose you have minus 8. The additive inverse of minus 8 will be plus 8. So basically, additive inverse of a number is the negative of itself. If it's a positive number, you'll have a negative number. If it's a negative number, the additive inverse will be the same number but a positive version. What is multiplicative inverse? It's just a different way of saying reciprocal. We all know what's a reciprocal, right? So if I have minus 10 by 6, what is the multiplicative inverse? It will become minus 6 by 10. Yes? Got it? Please use white pen now. Okay, chalo, let's use white pen. Do we have a white pen? Yay, we do. Chalo, okay. Happy Manvi? Yes, we will have V-quiz. We will have V-quiz. Perimeter and area is in grade 7th. We will do that in the next class. That is tomorrow. Okay? Cool? Awesome. Chalo. Let's move forward and do questions related to rational numbers which have come in the exam. Par ye kya ho raha hai? Oh, 1 minute. Where did it go? Okay, just give me 1 minute, guys, because this has all... बहुत बुरा हुआ. Let us see if something can be done here. Okay, cool. This is the least we can do here. Chalo, let's get started. When this entire number is divided by this, what would be the answer? When this is divided by this, the result is what? This is a PYQ ka previous year question. PYQ 2016 ka question hai. So how are you going to solve it? What are you going to do here, guys? Can somebody quickly tell me what is the first approach you are going to do for this question? Perimeter and area will come under mensuration, Varun. We will do mensuration. Do not worry. Okay? Oh, somebody is already telling the answer. That is amazing. Amazing. Exactly. We are going to first solve them individually and then we are going to divide them. So how can you solve them individually? You can clearly see that the denominators are different. So what are you going to do? We will be taking the LCM of the denominators of both of these and then divide one by the other. So starting off with the first one here, I am going to first solve these two and then solve these two. So here I will be having 2 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4, and here it will be plus 1 by 30 because there's a plus here. Please be very careful with the negative signs, okay? And all of this is all chutku mutku. We have done it in grade 6. So you should be knowing how to do operations on integers, on fractions, okay? So once you have it, again, the LCM here would be 60. And then you multiply this with 15, you multiply this with 2. So it will become 15 by 60 plus 2 by 60. We have converted them into like fractions. You simply have to add them. The second expression also is right here. We're going to take the LCM and we're going to solve it. You will be getting 1 by 18. Now guys, please carefully look. You have 17 by 60 divided by 1 by 18. Let it be a fraction or a rational number, the rules are not going to change. So keep the first fraction as it is and then reciprocate the second fraction. Then you see if there is any cancellation which can happen and then cancel them accordingly and move forward. Now, you will be getting a improper fraction. Whenever there's an improper fraction, convert that into a into a mixed fraction. So the correct answer here is option number D. Very good, very good. What is your name? My name is Haripriya. Okay? Chalo. Let's move forward with the second question. second chapter, which is going to be exponents and powers. So we all know the basics of exponents and powers. Yeah. What is an exponent? Anything which is of the form a to the power m is said to be in an exponential form. Easy peasy. A is called as the base, m is called as the power. What does this mean? It means we are multiplying the same number a how many times? M times. Okay? Yes? Awesome. Now, there are laws of exponents that you need to know, and we are going to use these laws of exponents in different questions. Okay? So the first one is when the bases are the same. What are you going to do when the bases are the same and the powers are different? Keep the base as it is. Do not disturb the base, and then you add your exponents, x plus y. What is your division rule? A to the power x divided by a to the power y. What is happening? The base is the same. So keep the base as it is. Subtract your exponents. A to the power x whole to the power y is a to the power xy. Just multiply them. Now, here another trick I want you guys to know is, if I have a to the power m whole to the power n whole to the power x, what do? Don't get scared. Write the base as it is. Just multiply all the exponents together. That's all you're going to do. Okay? So just multiply. Iske upar if there's another to the power y, don't get scared. Just multiply and write them as it is. Okay? Okay. Awesome. Chalo. No problem if it's not available in your book. We will be doing everything here. Okay? Hi Deepak. Welcome, welcome. Comic clue. We are going to do all of it, and here we go with the first question. Find the value of x. If there is a question coming from exponents and powers, there will definitely be a question like this. Even in the sample paper that we are going to do at the end of the session, we will have a lot of questions based on this. So it's a very important one. Let's get started. So you have 3 to the power 2x minus 2 plus 54 whole divided by 15 equals 9. So division with 15, when I send it to the other side, what will happen? Can somebody tell me? Can somebody tell me division with 15, when you take it to the other side, it will become what? What will happen to it? Exactly. Shreyanshu has got it right. Aditi has got it right. Radha Krishnan has got it right. It will become multiplication. 9 multiplied with 15. Very good. Very good, everybody. So here you have 135. Now plus 54 when you shift to the other side will become minus 54. So 3 to the power 2x minus 2 is equal to 135 minus 54. So the answer here would be 81. Now, whenever you get questions like this, your aim should be that you have to make the basis on the left hand side and right hand side the same. Now, what is happening here? You have 3 to the power 2x minus 2 on the left hand side, and you have 81 on the right hand side. What is your aim? You have to somehow write 81 also as 3 to the power something. Cool. So I can write my 81 as 3 to the power 4. So here you have 3 to the power 2x minus 2. Now the bases are the same. When the bases are the same on the left hand side and right hand side, you can equate your exponents. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 4. So 2x is equals to 6. That means your x is equal to 3. There you go, easy peasy. In the exam, you can skip a lot of these questions, a lot of these steps. It's not necessary that you do step by step. If you're confident enough with your calculations, just jump to the next one. Okay? Because I know if I have to take it to the other side, it will become multiplication. So directly write 135. 135 minus 54, 81. Okay, 81 is 3 to the power 4. Equate this with 4. That's it. Bam, you got the answer. Cool? Please give us some questions. We have a lot of questions to solve. Don't worry. We have quizzes coming up. We have sample papers coming up. I will give you so many questions to solve. Do not worry. Okay? Okay. Chalo. So this is the solution for it. We got the answer as x is equal to 3. We got the correct one. Yay. Awesome. Awesome. Chalo. Let's move forward with the next question. It's a previous year question which has come in 2016. There's definitely a question from exponents and powers, guys. Definitely a question from exponents and powers. Okay? Come on, read the question, everybody. The size of the red blood cell is 0.000007 meters. And the size of the plant cell is 0.00001275 meters. You have to find the ratio of the size of the red blood cell to the plant cell. Now, what are they? They are in decimal form. They are in usual form. So what do? We convert them into a standard form. What is a standard form? Anything that can be written as a number which lies between 1 to 9 multiplied with 10 to the power some exponent here. So basically, we have to convert this usual form to standard form. How many of you remember this? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. How many of you remember the usual and standard form? We have learnt it in the NCRT. Regular, what do you call it? Regular syllabus जो हमारा होता है NCRT का, उसमें हमने सीखा है. Yes? Amazing, amazing. I can see a lot of people saying a yo here. Okay, chalo. So we have 0.00. कितने zeros हैं? Please be very careful with zeros. Counting में mistake मत करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. 3, 4, 5 and a 7. Got it? Now, can I write this as 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Can I write it like that? Yes or no? Do you live in UP? No. I live to opposite of UP. I live in Chennai. Awesome. Om Pratyush has got it right. Yes. I can write it like this, right? So this is what? 7 divided by 10 to the power 6. है ना? I can write 100 as 10 square. I can write 1000 as 10 cube. I can write 10,000 as 10 to the power 4. So I can write my 10 lakh as 10 to the power 6. Got it? Now I am going to use the negative exponent here. So instead of writing 1 by 10 to the power 6, I will write it as 10 to the power minus 6, because a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Understood? Yes. So I have converted the usual form to a standard form. Got it, everybody? Similarly, we're going to do the same thing for this number here. Same thing we are going to do for this number, and then we will find the ratio. So this is how it happened. So you can write the first one as 7 into 10 to the power 6. Similarly, the size of the plant cell also we will be writing it as 1.275 into 10 to the power 5. Then what will happen? The bases are the same and you're dividing. So keep the base as it is and subtract the exponents. Minus 6 minus of minus 5 will become minus 6 plus 5, and you divide them. You can divide both of them using your 5 table first by converting both of them into whole numbers. You'll have 28 divided by 51. Here you'll have 10 to the power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by 10. Okay, everybody, is it clear? Pragya, you're not late, you're just on time. You can watch the first half an hour after the class ends. Okay? Okay. It's not 10 to the power minus 8, it is 10 to the power minus 5. Cool? Come on. Chalo. The next chapter is squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. Again, directly question won't be asked here, but there will come a word problem. There has come a word problem in the previous years. We're going to do that. Cool? Awesome. Is this class only for Olympiad students? if you're not writing Olympiad also, you can sit here. It's not like only Olympiad students should be attending this, but एक IMO exam आ रहा है. If you are somebody preparing and writing, this session would be super useful for all of you. ठीक है? To just brush through it. Okay. Hi Teju, welcome to the class. Everybody, do not forget to hit the like button right now if you haven't hit the like button. Chalo. Hit the like button. Awesome, awesome. And call in your friends, guys. Call in your friends also. V-quiz होगा? हाँ बच्चा, V-quiz जरूर होगा. Okay. Let's move forward with squares and square roots. What is the square of a number? Multiplying the number with itself. If I have to find the square of 7, so it will become 7 square. That is 7 multiplied with 7. Easy peasy, right? Now, to find the square root of a number, there are so many different ways, right? So, the first one is the prime factorization. So, prime factorization is something that we have been learning from when we were so small, 6th grade, है ना? So, you should be knowing prime factorization from now. Okay, my friends won't study. Wow, कैसे friends हैं आपके? Ma'am, how can I prepare for NSO? बच्चा NSO तो हो गया है. Nabamita ma'am has already taken a marathon session for that. Hi Ashma. Chalo. Okay. So first we will be doing, if you have to find out the square root of 784, we are going to first do the prime factorization of 784. So after that you can write 784 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now, to find the square root, you will have to pair them together. Two numbers which are looking alike. So, 2 and 2 is one group. 2 and 2 is in one group. 7 and 7 is one group. So, since they are perfectly paired, there is no other extra number, you can say that it is a perfect square. So, how to find the square root? Take only one number from each group. So, take 2 out from here, 2 out from here, 7 out from here. So 2 into 2 into 7, there you go, 28. So the square root of 784 is 28. Awesome. Yes, please tell long division method. Chirag, take a deep breath because we are going to that only next. Okay? Now, the most famous method is the long division method. The name says it's like long division method, but it is the most easiest one to find the square root of a number. Now, look at the magic. We are going to find the square root of the number 1,04,976. But when you are finding the square root of a number, you need to group two digits in one place. So, 7 and 6 is one group, 4 and 9 is one group, 10 is one group. Got it? Now, let's talk about the first group, 10. Now, you have to find a number whose square is a number is less than or equal to 10. 3 square is a number which is less than 10. Very nice. 3 into 3 is 9. You subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now you will bring down this entire group. You're not only bringing down 4. You will bring down the entire group. What is that group? 49. So you have 149. Now, you leave a blank here and you add 3 to 3 and write it here. So, 3 plus 3 is 6 and a blank. Now, how do you fill that blank? With whatever number you're filling that blank, you have to multiply this whole number with that. Suppose you're filling it with 3. So, you have to multiply 63 with 3. Suppose you're filling it with 2. So, you have to multiply 62 with 2. And you have to somehow get a number which is less than or equal to 149. 62 multiplied with 2 will give you a number which is less than 149. That is 124. When you subtract, you get 25. And then what will we do? We will bring out the entire group of 76. So you have 2, 5, 7, 6. What will you do? Whatever number you have put in the blank, just add it with the same number. 62 plus 2 is 64 and leave a blank. The story continues. 6, 4 and dash multiplied with the dash. Suppose you are saying 6, 4, 2. you have to multiply it with 2. If you're filling the blank with 3, you multiply the entire number with 3. If you're filling the blank with 4, you multiply the entire number with 4. Now when I fill the blank with 4, 644 multiplied with 4 is giving you 2576, leaving the remainder 0. So what is the square root of 104976? It is equals to 324. See? Got it? Everybody? Awesome. Awesome. Come on. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. For everybody who understood, quickly give me a yo. Offbeat girl, you are right. If it's cube root, then you take 3 numbers in one group. Very good. Very good. Awesome. इसी बात पे जल्दी से वीडियो को लाइक कर लो if you haven't liked the video yet. चलो, let's do the very famous question. ऐसे ही सवाल आएंगे और बहुत सारे बच्चे ये सवाल को देख के डर जाएंगे. Like मैम ये तो हमसे सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा है, पता नहीं क्या ही बोल रहा है. But let me tell you, questions like this, which has big questions, ठीक है? Big questions like this have such tiny and easy answer. ठीक है? Everybody, go on. Quickly look at the question. Quickly look at the question. A teacher arranges his students in rows to form a square. He finds that in doing so, 45 students are left out. If the total number of students are 4945, then find the number of students in each row. So basically, this teacher wanted a perfect square. ठीक है? He wanted to form a square. Square में क्या होता है? All the sides are equal. So basically the length of the row and column should be the same. So the number of students in each row and the number of rows will be equal. So let us say that the number of rows is x. So the number of students in each row will also be x. Number of students in each row. Now, after arranging them, what did he see? That the total number of students are 4945, but 45 students are left out. He arranged it. Oh my God, I can already see a lot of you giving the answer. Very amazing. I'll tell you a trick here also, don't worry. So you can see that he could only arrange 4,900 students. What is so special about this 4,900? So here the number of rows multiplied with the number of students in each row will give you the total number of students that are arranged in the form of a square. So x square is equal to 4,900. So x will be square root of 4,900. 7 square is 49. So square root here would be 70. Very good. Now Olympiad में क्या है? Time बहुत कम है ना? So you need a lot of tricks. So when you get a question like this, take total, see how many number of students are left out, subtract them, you will get a number, find the square root of that number. That's it. ज़्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ ऐसे questions में. That's how easy it is. Okay. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you so much. Awesome, Om Pratyush. Good, good. Hi, Nadish. Chalo. So this is how the solution is going to look like. ये सब आपको पूरा कहानी रामायण महाभारत नहीं लिखना है वहाँ पे, ठीक है? Okay. Chalo. The next question. If the square root of 2 plus root x is equal to 3, find the value of x. ऐसे सवालों पे आप क्या करोगे? पैनिक नहीं करना है, ठीक है? पैनिक के अलावा आप क्या कर सकते हो? What is your first step when you look at questions like this? क्या करोगे आप? Let me see who tells me first. Easy question, very nice. ये वाला solve करो दीपक. क्या करोगे आप यहाँ पे? Radha Krishnan is like this Hussein Bolt. Tuck, 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 he's giving answers. Okay. वाटर ड्रिंक करेंगे? अच्छा कि मैम ये तो हो नहीं पाएगा, एक काम करते हैं पानी पी लेते हैं, थोड़ा टेंशन कम हो जाएगा. भाई साहब सब लोग आंसर बोल रहे हो पर कोई ये मुझे नहीं बोल रहा है कि कैसे करते हैं भाई. हाउ डिड यू गेट 49? कम ऑन, मैं तब तक नहीं शुरू करूंगी जब तक मुझे फर्स्ट स्टेप कोई बोले कि मैम ये करना है आपको फर्स्ट. एक बच्चे ने लिख दिया 49, सब लोग 49 49 49. यार कैसे आया 49? Water will spill on laptop? No. This is a sipper. That's why I use a sipper. Sipper won't spill. Chirag, you're almost right. Squaring on both sides. DS Gaming, SFB. You get me. You get me. मैम फर्स्ट स्टेप बोल दीजिए. श्रद्धा, मैं वही तो पूछ रही थी आपसे. तो द फर्स्ट स्टेप whenever you see a square root like this is squaring on both the sides. क्यों कर रहे हैं squaring on both sides? हाँ, ऐसे ही मजे के लिए नहीं, ये स्क्वायर रूट को हटाने के लिए, so that half of our problems are solved. So 2 plus root x is equals to 3 square which is 9. मैम ये स्क्वायर रूट हट कैसे गया? Because बच्चा, when you multiply root x multiplied with root x, it will give you x. Okay, so what did we do? We are multiplying root of 2 plus root x multiplied with square root of 2 plus root x. तो रूट कैंसिल हो गया, आपको बस 2 plus root x बचेगा. That is why we are going to square on both the sides to remove what looks very scary, the square root. ठीक है? So 2 plus root x is 9. तो रूट x का वैल्यू कितना हुआ? 9 minus 2 which is 7. पर हमें क्या चाहिए था? हमें चाहिए x. पर x तो रूट के नीचे है, तो क्या करें इसका भाई? फिर से स्क्वायर करो ताकि वो रूट कैंसिल हो जाए. So squaring on both the sides again, you have x is equals to 49 which is equal to 7 square. ठीक है, बहुत इजी है, राइट? देखो ऐसे ही सवाल आएंगे, जस्ट अ स्मॉल कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट वन स्टेप कि हाँ भाई स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स कर दो, द स्क्वेयरी थिंग विल जस्ट वैनिश. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट यू गॉट टू नो. बस उससे पूरा सॉल्व हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम आपका. ओके, ऐसे एक सवाल आया है, हमने सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर में हमने किया है. वी विल डू दैट. ठीक है, तो चलो चलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे, विच इज क्यूब्स ऑफ अ नंबर. स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइंग अ नंबर विद इटसेल्फ ट्वाइस. क्यूब ऑफ अ नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइंग अ नंबर विद इटसेल्फ 3 टाइम्स. दैट्स इट. ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे भी क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए अ प्रिसाइज मेथड इज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. यहाँ पे लॉन्ग डिविजन ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. ठीक है, तो प्रिसाइज मेथड है आपका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. आपको पता है कैसे करते हैं, है ना? जब आप इत्तू से थे तब से आपने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन सीखा है, ग्रेड 6 से, राइट? नाउ ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 216. तो यू विल प्राइम फैक्टराइज योर 216. तो जिन बच्चों को लगता है कि मैम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन तो हमें आता नहीं है, हमें पता है हम इत्तू से हमने सीखा है पर हम भूल गए, तो carefully look at the explanation. So we are going to do the prime factorization 216. Now prime factorization में सिर्फ prime numbers use होते हैं. तो हमारा पहला दोस्त कौन है prime factors में? 2, फिर 3, फिर 5, फिर 7 and so on. Now 216 is it divisible by 2? चलो white pen use कर लेते हैं, white ink use कर लेते हैं. 216 is divisible by 2? Yes. 216 by 2 will give you 108. Is 108 again divisible by 2? Of course भाई even number है तो divisible होगा ही. So that will give you 54. 54 फिर से divisible है तो it will give you 27. Is 27 divisible? नहीं, because वो odd number हो गया. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will go to the next friend जो कि है 3. Now 27 by 3 will give you 9. 9 by 3 will give you 3. 3 by 3 will give you 1. जब तक आपको यहाँ पे 1 ना आ जाए तब तक आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है. If the number is not divisible by 3, go to the next number. This is also not divisible, go to the next number and so on. ठीक है, ये है आपका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. चेंज कर दिया मैंने, पेन का कलर चेंज कर दिया मैंने, व्हाइट कर दिया उसको. ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके. चलो, तो नाउ देयर इज अ स्मॉल ट्विस्ट इन द टेल, नहीं ट्विस्ट इन द स्टोरी. यहाँ पे रिमेंबर फॉर स्क्वायर रूट्स हमने क्या किया, वी हैव पेयर्ड टू नंबर्स टुगेदर, बट यहाँ पे हम कर रहे हैं क्यूब रूट ऑफ अ नंबर, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, वी हैव टू ग्रुप देम इनटू ग्रुप्स ऑफ 3 in each group. तो 216 is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. तो यहाँ पे ये लोग परफेक्ट ट्रिपलेट्स बन रहे हैं, है ना, एक ग्रुप में परफेक्टली 3 लोग फिट हो रहे हैं विदाउट एनीथिंग लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, सो इट डेफिनेटली इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. तो अभी हमें क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करना है, वी विल जस्ट टेक आउट one member from each group. So the answer is 6. Cube root of 216 is 6. ठीक है everybody, easy peasy, awesome. चलो एक सवाल कर लेते हैं इसी पे. मोहित gave a problem to समर्थ. मोहित को लगा कि समर्थ को कुछ नहीं आता है, let's just prove by giving him a question. But little does he know, Samarth is a Haripriya Ma'am student, so he will be solving all the problems ऐसे. चलो, difference of two perfect cubes is 189. So guys, whenever you see questions like this, whenever you have to tackle questions like this, panic मत करो. Let's just form. We have to convert English into mathematics here, है ना? तो यहाँ English में क्या लिखा है? Difference between two perfect cubes is 189. There are two perfect cubes, x cube and y cube. The difference between them is 189. मैंने यहाँ पे x cube, y cube क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि they told that they are perfect cubes. Perfect cubes are always of the form a cube, b cube, c cube and so on. First sentence का हो गया. We have converted English to maths. Second sentence. If the cube root of the smaller of the two numbers is 3. Now x और y में से आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा छोटा हो सकता है, x या y? आपको क्या लगता है? The cube root of the smaller of the two numbers. दो नंबर है x और y, तो इनमें से छोटा कौन है? आपको क्या लगता है, x या y? कौन जल्दी से स्पैम कर दो, क्या हो सकता है? Exactly, बच्चा x नहीं y. When you have to get a positive number, it's always a bigger number minus the smaller number हमेशा, क्योंकि 3 minus 7 आ जाएगा आपका negative number, which we don't want. We want a positive number, है ना? तो which is 189. तो y is the smaller number. तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि the cube root of y is 3. तो यहाँ से आपको y का वैल्यू क्या होगा? They're telling that the cube root of the smaller number, which is y, is 3. The value of y is what? What is the value of y? Radhika, यहाँ पे squares नहीं चल रहे, cubes चल रहे, cubes and cube roots. Radha Krishnan got it right. Exactly. Hi Daksh, long time. So y is equal to 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. तो आपको आ गया आपका y का वैल्यू. So x cube minus y cube. What is y cube? 3 cube, which is 27. So x cube minus, okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, the cube root of the smaller number is 3. So the value of y is equals to, y cube is equals to 27. ठीक है? Okay, it's not the value of y, it's the value of y cube, because this is the smaller number. ठीक है? Is equal to 189. So what is the value of x cube? 189 plus 27. Awesome, awesome. So we will be having 216. So x cube is 216. So x will be cube root of 216, which is equal to 6. So your x is equal to 6 and your y is equal to 3. Got it? Awesome, awesome. Very well, very well. Okay. So everybody, whoever is new to the channel, whoever has come for the first time, क्या करना है आपको? Do not forget to like this video. Also share this video with everybody who is writing the IMO Olympiad exam this November, because this session is going to be super duper helpful for all of them. ठीक है? Okay. Hi Shashwat, welcome to the class. Hi Aniket. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज. किस किस को लगता है कि मैम ये बहुत ही मुश्किल है? किसको लगता है ऐसे? हाँ, किसको इसको लगता है कि कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज मुश्किल है? चलो बताओ, जल्दी बताओ मेरे को. हाय चिन्मया, हाय नवीन. श्रद्धा को लगता है इजी पीजी है. चिन्मया, यू फील दैट यू लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कि मैम बहुत मुश्किल है. क्यों भाई, क्यों? Why is it difficult? Present मैम, it's too hard it seems. Easy है. देखो श्रेयांशु के लिए तो easy लग रहा है, श्रेयांशु को. ओके ओके, तो बहुत सारे बोल रहे हैं मैम बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बट लेट मी टेल यू बहुत आसान है भाई, बहुत ज्यादा आसान है, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटेड टू प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ, एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटेड टू फॉर्मूलाज हियर, है ना. तो अगर आपको फॉर्मूलाज याद भी नहीं है ना तब भी चल जाएगा. जस्ट यूज योर कॉमन सेंस बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, कॉमन सेंस चाहिए यहाँ पे आपको. ओके ओके, चलो लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड. पहला टॉपिक है चेंज इन परसेंटेज. दिस इज रिलेटेड टू इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज ऑल्सो. Whenever there is a change, for example, the temperature in Chennai yesterday was 10 degree centigrade, जो कि कभी होगा नहीं है, पर let's just assume करने में क्या ही जा रहा है, and today is 15 degree centigrade. तो clearly there has been a change in the temperature. आपको दिख रहा है कि हाँ भाई टेम्परेचर तो इंक्रीज हुआ है, बढ़ गया है ना. तो what would be the percentage change? मुझे यही वाला चेंज मुझे परसेंटेज में चाहिए. मुझे पता है 5 डिग्री का इंक्रीज हुआ है, but how much percent is that? We want to know, है ना. तो I know you all know कि you got maths में 100/100, science में 85/100, English में 90/100, social science में 95/100. You know your marks, but what do people ask? कि कितना परसेंट आया आपको 10th में, कितना परसेंट आया, है ना. So percentage will give you an idea about anything, about the temperature, about the marks that you scored. तो इसीलिए हम लोग सब कुछ यूजुअली परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. तो कैसे करें? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइनल वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे? 15 माइनस 10 डिवाइडेड बाय इनिशियल वैल्यू multiplied with 100. That's it. So you have 5/10 multiplied with 100. You cancel. It will become 50%. तो कितना चेंज हुआ है भाई? 50%. The temperature has increased by 50%. Now what if it is the other way around? अगर temperature 15 था initially, finally the temperature was 10 degree. So what is the percentage change? How will you calculate that? Final minus initial divided by initial multiplied with 100%. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैम यहाँ पे तो नेगेटिव आ गया तो हम क्या करें? Do not worry. The negative just indicates that there is a decrease in the temperature. Positive indicates increase. Negative indicates decrease. So that is not affecting your answer in any way. ठीक है? तो worry not. Cool? Everybody? Awesome. Awesome. Yes, you got it right about my birthday, but how do you know it? -50%. Right. नहीं, -50% नहीं होगा. बच्चा -50% नहीं होगा. It will become -100/3%, which is 33.3333. -33.33. ठीक है? Because the initial temperature is different. Initially the temperature was 15. ठीक है? Okay? चलो, let's move forward and talk about discount. हम सबको बहुत पसंद है ना दिवाली पे डिस्काउंट, न्यू ईयर पे डिस्काउंट, जहाँ पे भी जाओ बोलेंगे सब डिस्काउंट दे दो थोड़ा भैया, है ना. So we all do that. So let's learn about it. डिस्काउंट का मतलब क्या है? क्यों पसंद है हमको डिस्काउंट? हाँ, can somebody tell me क्यों पसंद है आपको डिस्काउंट? Ma'am, 7th class complete maths when? Tomorrow 8 o'clock. Okay? Can we use calculator in the exam? No, you can't. Use your human calculator. Lesson price. to things get in low price. Obviously, if I say the bottle is for 200 rupees, you will be like, ma'am, please, I'm your student. I keep coming to your class regularly. Please give me discount. साल से ठीक है, free में ले लो, है ना? मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ इसीलिए. Anyways, but the shopkeepers are not so अच्छा like me. तो वो सोचते हैं कि चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा डिस्काउंट दे देते हैं ताकि the person comes back to my shop again, right? So you're reducing some amount. So the discount is the list price, the tagged price minus the selling price. ठीक है? अगर आपको डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज चाहिए तो डिस्काउंट बाय इनिशियल प्राइस. ओरिजिनल वैल्यू क्या है? ओरिजिनल वैल्यू इज द मार्क्ड प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. ओरिजिनल प्राइस तो 200 रुपीज है बॉटल का, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. सो लिस्ट प्राइस या टैग्ड प्राइस या मार्क्ड प्राइस, ऑल ऑफ देम आर सेम. If I use tagged price, marked price, सबका मीनिंग सेम है. That is nothing but the price on the label of the item or the product. What is the selling price? The price at which you sold the product. For example, the marked price is equals to 300 and the selling price is also 300. So do you think the shopkeeper has given any discount? Yes or no? Do you think that the shopkeeper has given a discount? Yes or no? Yes, you can call it as cost price also. That is also right. Same as cost price. Yeah. Exactly. There is no discount at all. बहुत ही खड़ूस आदमी है ये, बहुत ही खड़ूस शॉपकीपर है, डिस्काउंट ही नहीं दिया, है ना? Why? Because your marked price and the selling price are the same. But if he has given the commodity for say 30 rupees, did he give a discount? Yes, he did, right? So discount percent is calculated as discount percent is कितना discount मिला in terms of rupees, what was the marked price, the initial cost price of the item multiplied by 100%. That's it. It is directly related to the percentage change in the value which is given by this divided by original value. Originally, what is the cost? List price, the cost price, marked price multiplied by 100%. Easy, easy. Now, profit loss क्या है? Profit कब है? When your selling price is greater than cost price. Easy यार, ये बहुत ही amazing और easy है. Selling price minus cost price will give you profit. Profit percent is profit by CP into 100. आप बस ये याद रखो कि जो भी है profit percent हो सकता है या loss percent हो सकता है is always calculated on the cost price of the item. Always calculated on the cost price. ठीक है? Profit by CP into 100, loss by CP into 100. ठीक है? Okay. How long is the session? I am really not sure because we have a lot of other topics to complete. We have a week quiz to do. We have a sample paper to solve. तो होगा, थोड़ा खींचेगा आज, ठीक है? Okay. अच्छा, कोई बोल रहा है मैम टैक्स में डिफिकल्टी है. भाई मैं टैक्स का बहुत सिंपल एक लॉजिक बताती हूँ. टैक्स क्या है? It is the extra amount you pay to the government. ठीक है? Whenever you buy an item. Now there are two types. ठीक है? One is included tax and the other one is excluded. मतलब included मतलब क्या है? आपने चलो ये स्प्रे खरीदा है, ठीक है? क्या स्प्रे? ठीक है, whatever स्प्रे, ठीक है? कुछ स्प्रे खरीदा है आपने और वहां पे लिखा है MRP 250 रुपीज. ब्रैकेट में लिखा होगा inclusive of all the taxes. Have you ever read this? Yes or no? Thank you, Mukesh. अच्छा, VAT, GST ये सब कुछ तो है ही different types of taxes. But मैं question के हिसाब से बोलूँगी कैसे questions आ सकते हैं. Exactly, yes. So यहाँ पे क्या है? ये जो आप 250 आपने पे किया है, ये ओरिजिनल प्राइस नहीं है. शायद से ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ द स्प्रे इज 200 रुपीज. दैट एक्स्ट्रा 50 रुपीज इज टैक्स विच यू आर ऑलरेडी पेइंग इंक्लूडेड इन द MRP. ठीक है? तो इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्सेस तो दो प्रकार के होते हैं टैक्स. एक तो इंक्लूडेड टैक्स, एक एक्सक्लूडेड टैक्स. What is excluded tax? If I say the cost, the tax on the flight tickets that you have bought is 18%. 18% of the original cost. Original cost is showing 5,000. उसके ऊपर आपको 18% एक्स्ट्रा पे करना है. So 5,000 plus 18% of 5,000 आपको पे करना है. तो जो आपका आंसर आएगा that would be the final amount you have to pay. आपने ये देखा होगा, there are restaurant bills. आपने ऑर्डर किए 2 समोसे, एक समोसे का कॉस्ट है 10 रुपीज, तो आपको लगेगा भाई 20 रुपीज का बिल आएगा, पर आया बिल कितने का? 24.5 रुपीज का, पर आपके पास तो 20 रुपए है, तो आप बोलेगे भाई ये 4 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा कहाँ से आ गए? That 4 rupees is the tax that you're paying, which is calculated on the original price. The 20 rupees पे 18% tax लगा आपको. ठीक है? Factorization definitely we'll do. Seema, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, chalo. Next we have simple interest. PTR by 100. What is P? Principal. The money that you took or gave to somebody. R is the rate of interest. Time is T. It should always be in years. अगर months में है, convert that into years. 12 months is equal to 1 year. ठीक है? Use this and find. Word problems we will do. Health first, we will do word problems. Don't worry. ठीक है? Commission नहीं है. Commission नहीं है, वो tax है. We are paying to the government. ठीक है? Now, after calculating simple interest, we need to know कि finally कितना amount हमें देना पड़ेगा. So that would be principal plus the simple interest. ठीक है? Compound interest difficult है. मैं मानूंगी compound interest difficult है. तो we are going to do a lot of problems on it. ठीक है? तो first of all, compound interest calculate करने के लिए आपको उसका first amount calculate करना पड़ेगा, which is P into 1 plus R by N. You can just call it as R by 100 actually. R by 100 whole to the power N. Okay? Now, after calculating amount, how will you get your compound interest? Amount minus the principal will give you the compound interest. ठीक है? Now, sometimes you'll have a question compounded half yearly, compounded quarterly, compounded monthly. तो उसका क्या चक्कर है हम देखते हैं. तो when I say compounded half yearly, मतलब every 6 months the compound interest is calculated. So how many times are we calculating here? 1, 2. We're calculating 2 times. We have divided 12 months into 2 parts, 6 months and 6 months. So we are compounding it 2 times. So that's why the time will become double and the rate of interest will become half. Why? Because rate of interest जब भी दिया होता है, it is per annum. For entire year. Per annum मतलब for the entire year. But हमें तो 6 months और 6 months के लिए चाहिए. तो if I say that the rate of interest is 10% per annum, तो first का 5% होगा, next 6 months का 5% होगा. ठीक है? So the rate of interest will become half and the time will become double. Now what do I mean by quarterly? Quarterly का मतलब क्या है? First 3 months, next 3 months, next 3 months, next 3 months. कितने बार कैलकुलेट हो रहा है यहाँ पे? 1, 2, 3, 4 है ना? So that's why the time period will become 4 times and the rate of interest will be divided by 4 because we are dividing one entire year into 4 small parts. So this will become R by 4, R by 4, R by 4, R by 4. Understood? Understood everybody? Chirag, there is no separate formula for everything, bacha. There is no separate formula. With the help of one formula only, you can calculate everything. So don't remember rate of interest का अलग, इसका अलग, उसका अलग मत करो. ठीक है? Okay? Cool? Will the rates change on products over the passage of time? It depends on what is the product, Nadish. Cool? Ah, Chinmaya, that's amazing. Thank you. Okay, chalo. Let us move forward here. Okay, so let us move forward. And monthly का क्या है? मतलब every month you're calculating. So you're dividing the entire year into 12 parts. 12 months है इसीलिए. So the time period will become 12 times and the rate of interest will become by 12. That's it. This is the logic you need to apply here. Cool. चलो, बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं मैम we'll do questions. Let's do questions. सीमा सिंह, मैं फिर से लास्ट टाइम आपको बता रही हूँ, प्लीज स्पैम मत करो. फैक्टराइजेशन हम करेंगे, सारे चैप्टर्स करेंगे भाई, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम. वी विल बी डूइंग द एंटायर सिलेबस ऑफ IMO आज ही, ठीक है? सो टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड सिट टाइट. ओके, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. A shopkeeper sold saris at rupees 266 each after giving a 5% ka discount on the labeled price. Had he not given the discount, he would have got a profit of 12% on the cost price. What is the cost price? Now, you are the shopkeeper. You got a sari from a person, say 800 rupees का, ठीक है? नहीं, यू आर अ शॉपकीपर, तो आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार थोड़ा प्रॉफिट कमा लेंगे, तो यू विल पुट अ टैग ऑफ 1000 rupees. Now this is your cost price and this is your labeled price, the MRP, marked price. समझे? तो there is a difference here between labeled price and cost price of the item. Because शॉपकीपर भी किसी से खरीद रहा है ना, तो जो शॉपकीपर ने पे किया वो होगा उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो शॉपकीपर को लगेगा ठीक है मैंने 800 में खरीदा है पर मैं 1000 में बेचूंगा. दैट्स बिजनेस, है ना? यू वुड ऑलवेज वांट टू सेल फॉर मोर. सो द लेबल दैट यू विल पुट ऑन द साड़ी इज 1000 rupees. गॉट इट? सो दैट इज आवर लेबल्ड प्राइस एंड कॉस्ट प्राइस. नाउ व्हाट आर दे टेलिंग? दैट he has sold this much, so this is going to be the selling price when the discount percent is 5%. So let us assume that the labeled price is X rupees. ठीक है? ये हम assume करते हैं कि labeled price is X rupees. So what do we know here? I'm going to erase all of this. So discount is equals to, how do you know it is the discount? Labeled price minus the selling price. Labeled price हमें पता है? नहीं पता है. SP पता है? 266 rupees. It's given here. He sold it for 266. Now, your discount percent is discount by the labeled price multiplied by 100. Discount कितना है? 5% का discount दिया है इन्होंने. X minus 266 divided by X multiplied by 100. From here, you solve for the value of X. ठीक है? From here, you solve for the value of X. आपको आएगा around 280 if I'm not wrong. हाँ, ये देखो. Okay, so what is it here? Your X, the labeled price is 280. मतलब देखा बदमाशी? उन्होंने label किया 280 rupees. He gave a 5% discount and sold it for 266 rupees. आप तो खुश हो गए, है ना? ये आपका labeled price है 280. But this is not what he paid when he was buying that sari. That is what we have to find out. कि कितना उन्होंने pay किया? That's where we will use the second part of the question. He would have earned a profit of 12% on the cost price if he has not given the discount. अगर उन्होंने discount नहीं दिया तो कितने में बेचेंगे? The labeled, जो label पे है 280 rupees, उतने में ही बेचेंगे. Yes or no? Quickly give me yes or no in the chat box. Yes or no? If he did not give any discount, तो कितने में बेचेंगे? 280 rupees, because वो बोलेंगे देखो tagged price तो 280 है. Yes? Awesome. So what will this become? This will become the selling price if he did not give a discount. When this is the selling price, this is the profit that he will be getting on the cost price, which we have to find out. So let us assume that the cost price is Y. So what do we know? Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Selling price कितना? 280 rupees. If he did not give a discount, तो 280 पे ही बेचेगा वो, because that's the labeled price. Cost price, we have to find out. Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100%. बस profit percent दिया है 12. Profit कितना आया? 280 minus Y. What is your cost price? Y multiplied by 100. बस you just have to find out the value of Y here. ठीक है? So SP is cost price plus profit. There's another way here. Okay? We know that profit is equals to SP minus CP. तो SP कितना होगा? CP plus profit. Okay? We already know that your SP is 280. Cost price, we don't know. Now, profit कितना आया? 12% of the cost price. Because जब भी हम loss percentage या profit percentage calculate करते हैं, it is always on the cost price. So that's why Y plus 12 by 100 multiplied with Y. यहाँ से आप Y का value find out कर लो. 250 rupees. मतलब the shopkeeper bought the sari for 250 rupees and tagged it as 280 rupees and sold it for 266 rupees. फिर भी उसका वो हुआ है 16 rupees का profit. Yes? Okay. Hi Krishna. I remember you, I guess. Good evening, Madhu. Yes, this is chapter 8 for 8th grade. Hi Manvi. Awesome, awesome, awesome. तो guys, हमने 4 chapters complete कर लिया है, ठीक है? We will be doing quizzes, but after a short break, ठीक है? We will take a small break here. I want you guys to meanwhile join the week quiz. The link for the week quiz is in the description. Come on. इस break में हम थोड़ा week quiz कर लेते हैं. The link for the week quiz is in the description box. चलो दिखाई देती हूँ मैं कैसे आपको. ठीक है. आप जो आप देख रहे हो YouTube, ये वाला लाइव सेशन है हमारा. ठीक है, इसको फर्स्ट म्यूट कर देते हैं. हाँ ठीक है, म्यूट है. तो एक तो लाइक 50 लाइक्स. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. चलो 100 बना देते हैं लाइक्स, है ना? तो एनीवेज फॉर द वीक क्विज. ओके, यहाँ पे वीक क्विज का लिंक नहीं है. ठीक है, ओके. सो डोंट वरी, अगर वीक क्विज का लिंक नहीं भी है तो गो टू www.weekquiz.in and use the code 227478. 227478. अमित सर का क्लासेस है 7 बजे. ठीक है, कोई नहीं, वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये क्लास तो चलेगा, है ना? 7 बजे कैसे हो गया? अच्छा हाँ, 7 बजे. अच्छा ठीक है, बट दिस विल टेक मोर टाइम आई गेस. कूल, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो चलो चलो. ओके, आई विल सेंड द लिंक इन द लाइव चैट. पर क्या मैं वो कर सकती हूँ? ठीक है, लाइव चैट में मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. अगर आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो तो हो जाना. I'm not sure guys if it will happen. ठीक है? If not, you can just go to www.weekquiz.in and the code is 227478. I can already see 7 people have joined. Chaitanya, open a new tab. Open a new tab, बच्चा. Come on, come on, come on, hurry up. Eight people have joined. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Quick, quick, quick. I'll start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and chalo. Here we go with the first question on your screens, everybody. The first question is on your screen. It is related to simple interest. Easy peasy question. Guys, the link is not there in the description box, but it is wequiz.in and you can use the code 227478. ठीक है? 227478. Try with an incognito mode if you're not able to join through your normal wo. Come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds. Double 27478 is the code. I can already see 13 people have joined. मतलब चल रहा है ना? Awesome, awesome. Very good, everybody. Principal is given, rate of interest is given, time is given. Find out the simple interest. PTR by 100. Let us look at the leaderboard here. And we have Naveen, Ashish, Suri, Kshitij, Srilata, Tarun. Tarun, I'm from Chennai. Hi, Tarun. Even currently, I'm also in Chennai. Then we have Srihari, Ram, Khushi, and Pragya and Chaitanya with 0 points. But yes, let's do it. Your next question is on your screens, everybody. Find the value of x. Easy है guys, बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. Bye Bhav, you got it right. Hi Priyanka, I do remember you, bacha. And we are going to make a video with Nabamita ma'am and Surabhi ma'am the next week. It will be up very soon. ठीक है? Never have I ever का गेम आने वाला है सुरभि मैम और नबमिता मैम के साथ अगले हफ्ते, तो just hold on. चलो 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 30 seconds everybody. Page is not working. It will work, bacha. Try to go with an incognito mode. Three, two, one. That is a time up. Let us look at the result. क्या हो रहा है ये? Oh my God, guys, what's happening? What's happening? Huh? 2 by 5 multiplied whole to the power minus 3 multiplied with 2 by 5 whole to the power 15 is equal to 2 by 5 whole to the power 2 plus 3x. Okay, so what will you do? The bases are the same, so keep the base as it is and you add your exponents. It is equal to 2 by 5 whole to the power 2 plus 3x. On the left hand side and right hand side, the values are the same. The bases are the same. So you can equate your exponents. So 2 plus 3x is equals to 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. So 3x is equals to 12 minus 2. That is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 3. See? Not 3 by 10. 10 by 3. Very good. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Kshitij on top. Then we have Srihari and Ram in the top 3. Then we have Naveen, Ashish, Srilata, Tarun, Khushi, Pragya and Chaitanya. Come on. 0 points are not enough. Your next question is on your screens, everybody. Do more vlogs and short videos. बच्चा, I will. प्रियंका बनाऊंगी भाई, बनाऊंगी मैं. In a hostel of 50 girls, there was a food provision for 40 days. 30 more girls have joined the hostel. How long will the provision last? Now, ये हमने अभी तक किया नहीं है, पर this is a previous year question जो आया है, one of the previous years, but we will be doing this, don't worry. Come on, hurry up. The timer starting. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a time up. Let us look at the... Awesome, guys. Only 2 of you could get the correct answer. It's 25 days. Now, don't worry. I will show the explanation. We'll do the explanation for this one in the next segment. Okay? For now, we have Kshitish, Srihari and Khushi, Ram, Naveen, Ashish, Srilata and Tarun. Good job. Chalo. I'm going to take a short kutti break. I'll just quickly use the washroom and come, and then we will do the rest of the questions. Okay? Just hold on here. Call in your friends. Call in your everybody, whomever, cousins and all, whoever is writing your IMO. Call in all of them. मैं 2 मिनट में वापस आई. ठीक है? 2 मिनट. Just 2 minutes. Okay, so we are back after a short break. चलो मैम 2 मिनट हो गया. देखो मैम आ भी गई. देखो प्रॉमिस है ना. Hi Komal, hi Pallavi, welcome to the session everybody. Hi Vanshika. चलो शुरू हो जाते हैं. हमारा नेक्स्ट अगला टॉपिक है algebraic expressions and identities. यहाँ पे भी there's one previous year question that we will be solving. तो पहले algebraic expression क्या है? एक बिरयानी बनाने के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए होता है? मसाले चाहिए होते हैं, राइस, वाटर, वेजिटेबल्स, है ना. तो वैसे ही एक algebraic expression को बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए होता है coefficients, variables, operators and constants. ठीक है, very basic. Now we know about terms and factors. When you multiply the factors together, you would be getting the terms. And when you add the terms, you get your expressions. Got it? Easy peasy again. Ma'am, please repeat comparing quantities. मतलब क्या? How am I looking? Huh? Literally, I spent half an hour on that. Please watch the replay, खुशी. ठीक है, रिप्ले में आप देख सकते हो. ये सेशन कहीं जा नहीं रहा है, यही पेज पे, इसी पेज पे फॉरएवर रहेगा. तो आप देख लेना प्लीज, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा बाकी है एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी 1.5 hour डाउन. ठीक है, ठीक है. कुकिंग इज टफ बट अलजेब्रा इज इजी. कुकिंग एंड अलजेब्रा बोथ आर इजी मैन. चलो चलो चलो. मैम आपने नया टी शर्ट नहीं पहना? हाँ, क्योंकि मेरा नया टी शर्ट अभी भी सुरभि मैम के पास है. सुरभि मैम के पास कुछ जाता है तो वापस नहीं आता है वो. तो मैं जाके लूंगी इस हफ्ते. ठीक है. Okay, so different types of algebraic expressions. We have monomial, polynomial, binomial, trinomials and all of that. Polynomial क्या है? It is a special algebraic expressions where the powers, the exponents of the variables are always whole numbers and division by another variable is not happening, right? इसके अंदर आता है हमारा addition and subtraction. Again, when you are adding or subtracting, you can only add or subtract like terms. So that's why we will be writing like terms one above the other, and depending upon the sign, we perform the operation. Now, when it comes to subtraction, आपको ये बहुत ध्यान से आपको करना पड़ेगा. जो भी expression second row में बैठा है, whatever expression is sitting in the second row, the sign of each term will change. So if it is plus, it will become minus. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. ठीक है. Please don't forget, whenever you're subtracting two algebraic expressions, you always have to change the sign of the second expression. Every term का जो sign है, you will have to change of the second expressions. ठीक है. आपके चश्मे के नंबर क्या है? बहुत कम है, मतलब इसके बिना भी चल जाएगा, but then just for safety, कि और खराब ना हो जाए आंखें. Hi Shreya, welcome, welcome. Hi Divakara Nights. Awesome Nadish, congratulations. Hi Angel Lalit. चलो, so these are the two things you have to remember. फिर आते हैं हमारे multiplication. यहाँ पे usually we use our distributive property. If it's a monomial by a monomial, बहुत आसान है. X into x will become x square and a will be as it is. When you are multiplying a monomial with a binomial or a trinomial, you have to use your distributive property. So you have to multiply your a with x with a plus x with b. So it is ax plus bx. Here you have ax plus bx plus cx. आप सबको distributive property तो पता ही है ना? For example, let's take a binomial multiplied with a binomial. Now, the first term is multiplied with this entire thing. मतलब x multiplied with x plus 3 plus 2 multiplied with x plus 3. ठीक है? And again we are going to use our distributive property. X multiplied with x, x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. 3x plus 2x will give you 5x. There you go with the final expression. X square plus 5x plus 6. ठीक है? Ma'am, your teaching style is the best. Please do ask us questions also. Angel Lalit, I am asking you questions. You'll have quizzes to do. Don't worry. ठीक है? We've already done one. Please tell multiplication example that will solve, so I will recall it. Chirag, ये एक example है. We will do more. ठीक है? ठीक है? गुड नाइट. शुभम यादव 7:30 पे कौन सो रहा है बच्चा? आज वीक क्विज है. नीलम, हाँ, यू हैव मिस्ड वन पार्ट ऑफ द वीक क्विज. अब और आएगा, रुक जाओ. ठीक है? उसके बाद आते हैं हमारे ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल आइडेंटिटीज, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, x प्लस a इंटू x प्लस b. Now, if you have a minus b whole square, please be careful, you will have a minus 2ab term here. A square minus 2ab plus b square. If you have a plus b whole square, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square, यहाँ पे you will have only two terms and both of them will be a perfect square. Okay, that is how you will know you're going to use a square minus b square. Let us solve a question. Chalo. A man has distributed a property of the value a plus b plus 4c plus 1. He distributed a minus b plus 3c plus 5 to his son. And after that, he distributed the remaining में से 2b plus 4c minus, 2b plus c minus 4 to his daughter. What amount is left with him? बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं ना कि मैम हमें दो प्रॉब्लम्स, हम करेंगे. कर लो, करके बताओ which one's the correct answer. Hi Vedic, welcome to the session. I like BTS songs, but I don't know if I'm an army. Yes, there are only 4 identities for grade 8th, grade 9th and 10th में आपको बाकी के भी आएंगे, a plus b whole cube, a plus b plus c whole square, ये सब आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Thank you Adarsh. Do not forget to like the video. Angel Lalit, ये रहा आपका quiz. Let me see how many of you will get it right. Will there be a session for grade 7th? Yes. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. I'm going to go live again for grade 7th. ठीक है? Okay. DS Gaming got it right. Shreya got it right. Kshitij got it right. Chirag got it right. Mohammad Ryan got it right. You're looking very cute today. Today क्या होता है? मतलब कल परसों नहीं लग रही थी cute? Exactly. Very amazing guys. A lot of you have got the correct answer. It's option number B. तो पहले उनके पास कितना जायदाद था, मतलब कितना प्रॉपर्टी था. He had a property of a plus b plus 4c plus 1. ठीक है? a plus b plus 4c plus 1. सोचो, like people would say I have so much घर, so much land, so much property. यहाँ इस बंदे ने algebra में अपना प्रॉपर्टी का वो दिया है. ठीक है, यहां से एक टुकड़ा उन्होंने अपने बेटे को दे दिया. ठीक है, तो इज गिवन a माइनस b प्लस 3c प्लस 5. देखो, आई हैव रिटन ऑल द लाइक टर्म्स वन अबव द अदर. तो सिंस ही हैज गिवन अवे, यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन बिकॉज सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. योर प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस. प्लस 1 माइनस 5 माइनस 4 plus 4c minus 3c. Use the new sign. It will become plus c plus b plus 2b plus a minus a 0. So what is left with him? He has 2b plus c minus 4 left with him. तो जितना remaining है वो उसने अपने daughter को दे दिया. तो from here he has given away 2b plus c minus 4 to his daughter. So what will we do? Change the sign because we will have to subtract. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Plus c minus c, 0. 2b minus b, 0. Answer is 0. That's how he got 0. ठीक है? Easy peasy. Awesome everybody. चलो. अभी जाकर लेके आइए क्या लेके आओ? अभी जाके मैं क्या लेके आऊं? Which chapter? Shreya, this is Algebraic expressions and identities. ठीक है? चलो, ये रहा आपका दूसरा क्वेश्चन. Quickly solve and tell me what is going to be the answer. Quickly. Hurry up, hurry up. Adarsh, what did you not understand? इसमें आपको क्या समझ नहीं आया? देखो, इनके a father had so much property. And he has given this to his son. So you'll have to subtract. No, if your father has 100 rupees and he gave you 70 rupees. तो how much is left with him? Only 30 rupees. क्या किया आपने? Subtraction. तो वही मैंने यहाँ पे किया. He gave a minus b plus 3c plus 5 to his son, so I have subtracted. Now he has only 30. Out of that, he gave 30 to his sister, to your sister. So he has 0. So he's left with 2b plus c minus 4, and he gave 2b plus c minus 4 to your sister. That's it. So he's left with 0. ठीक है? श्रद्धा, जो आपको इजी लगता है, जो आपके बुक में है, वो आप कीजिए. ठीक है? Awesome. Awesome. Okay, tell me the answer for this one, guys. 194, are you sure? बहुत सारे बच्चे ऑप्शन ए बोल रहे हैं, पर ये क्या ऑप्शन ए है? चलो देखते हैं. So you have x plus 4, x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. पर आपको चाहिए x to the power 4, 1 by x to the power 4. ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला है, ऐसा कोई आइडेंटिटी है कि एकदम से आपको x to the power 4 मिल जाए? नहीं है. But we can start with squaring on both the sides. So you have x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into a into b will be 1 because x cancel हो रहा है, is equal to 16. So your x square plus 1 by x square is 14. Why? Because plus 2 you take it to the other side, minus 2. इसको हम फिर से square करते हैं. तो you have x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 is equals to 14, right? So what is that we have here? You take it and go to minus 4. So what is that we have? Okay, I'm so sorry, 14 square. 14 square. What is 14 square, guys? What is 14 square? You're squaring on both sides. Exactly, 196. Minus 2, take it to the other side. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 194. Guys, it's not option C. It's option number A. Correct. कौन सा कोर्स? ये IMO का चल रहा है बच्चा. IMO का पूरा सिलेबस चल रहा है. ठीक है? Okay. Come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Did you all understand this? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box right now. I can see a lot of you have already joined the session. New students have joined. Do not forget to hit the like button right now. Yo. Which chapter? Shreya, entire syllabus का होगा. Entire syllabus. ठीक है? मैम सब सी बोलने लगे थे. आई नो. जैसे ही मैंने बोला शायद आप गलत बोल रहे हो, सब लोग बोला अच्छा सी 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 सी. ओके, चलो चलो. Let us get started with the most requested concept, that is factorization. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बोला, स्टार्टिंग में कोई स्पैम कर रहा था मैम, factorization factorization factorization. क्या आप हो यहाँ पे? चलो. Now factorization is a process of factorizing an expression. Factorizing मतलब क्या? Reducing them into irreducible factors. मतलब it can be done with 4 different kinds. Common factor method, factorization by regrouping, ये दोनों same है. ठीक है? It's just they're twins, थोड़ा difference इधर उधर है. Using identities and factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. ठीक है? So we are going to do few questions. Concentrate. Now, when you look at this question, what is the first thought? आपके दिमाग में क्या आया इसको देख के? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? आपके दिमाग में क्या आया इसको देख के? क्या करोगे आप? ऐसा अगर आपका सवाल आ गया, आप क्या करोगे? सॉल्व करोगे? अच्छा, मुझे लगा इसको लेके आप इसको पका के खा लोगे. चिराग, मैंने पूछा क्या करोगे? चिराग बोल रहे सॉल्व करेंगे. और नहीं तो क्या करोगे आप? कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? We should solve. Oh, you should solve. मुझे नहीं पता था. आइडेंटिटी हो सकता है, हो सकता है। आदर्श बोल रहे हैं मैम शायद आइडेंटिटी हो सकता है। हाय भारती, चलो आदर्श बोल रहे हैं शायद आइडेंटिटी हो सकता है, बट लेट मी टेल यू आइडेंटिटी नहीं है इसमें। बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं मैम इसको देख के तो a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, चलो फटाफट एक्सपैंड करते हैं, सॉल्व करते हैं, यू विल गेट द आंसर। नो, देयर इज एन इजियर वे। नाउ इफ आई टेक 2x plus 3y as a, तो इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a माइनस 14। क्या 14 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है? नहीं है। तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वी विल यूज x प्लस a मल्टीप्लाइड विद x प्लस b। अगर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होता तो हम यूज करते a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इंटू और a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, वन ऑफ दिस। ठीक है, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है तो वी विल डू स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म। आई एम गोइंग टू राइट my minus 5a as minus 7a plus 2a, and minus 7a plus 2a should also give you the constant term which is minus 14. Is it giving? Yes, so you can write it like that. ठीक है, तो as you can see I have split the middle term. I have written my minus 5a as minus 7a plus 2a. आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैम आप इसको आप minus 6a प्लस ए भी लिख सकते हो, पर आपने माइनस 7a प्लस 2a क्यों चुना? क्योंकि व्हेन आई मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 6 एंड प्लस 1 आई एम नॉट गेटिंग माई माइनस 14, आई हैव टू गेट द कांस्टेंट बैक। ठीक है, तो इसीलिए मैंने माइनस 6a और a नहीं देखा। ठीक है, समझ आ गया सबको? यस, एग्जैक्टली। वाटर ड्रिंक करेंगे, बस आप पानी पीते रहे ना, और वॉशरूम आ जाएगा, वॉशरूम चले जाना, वहां से निकल जाओ एग्जामिनेशन से। ठीक है, वापस मत आना क्योंकि कुछ आ नहीं रहा आपको। स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म, आई टेक a कॉमन, a minus 7, आई टेक 2 कॉमन, a minus 7, सॉरी प्लस 2 कॉमन, फिर से आई विल टेक a minus 7 कॉमन, यू आर लेफ्ट विथ a plus 2। पर a क्या है? 2x plus 3y minus 7 multiplied with 2x plus 3y plus 2. समझ आया? Did we make a mistake anywhere? यहाँ पे से a कॉमन लिया, यहाँ पे से a कॉमन लिया, सॉरी 2 कॉमन लिया, तो yes, we got it right. There you go. ठीक है, तो ऐसे सॉल्व करना है। ठीक है, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर देख के एकदम से आइडेंटिटी मत लगाना शुरू करो, टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा। Chinmaya, please carefully listen. I have done splitting the middle term. To make the equation look easier, I have written 2x plus 3y as a. I have taken 2x plus 3y as a. So a square minus 5a minus 14. Then I split the middle term. A square minus 7a plus 2a minus 14. Why? Because minus 7 multiplied with plus 2 will give you minus 14. That is the constant term. Then I have taken common in these two. I have taken common in these two. That's it. Okay? Awesome. Easy explanation. Very nice, very nice, very nice. CBSE class already शुरू हो गया. You can check out our page. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? ठीक है, मैं इसको यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. √3x square plus 11x plus 6 √3. अब इसको देख के आप क्या करोगे? पानी पियोगे फिर से? हाँ? What will you do after looking at this? Squaring on both sides. Both sides तो है ही नहीं. Yes, you can follow. You can subscribe to me on YouTube. It is photolab.haripriya. ठीक है? मैं quickly I'll send a red heart in the live chat. You can subscribe. That will be my channel. ठीक है? photolab.haripriya. ठीक है? So आपको जो red hearts दिख रहे हैं वो मेरे ही है. चलो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. पानी पीना, पानी पीने के लिए मत जाना. ठीक है? Don't drink water. So now again, there's no perfect square. So we can't use a plus b whole square. So what will we do? Splitting the middle term. Now you have to split the middle term in such a way that you have to somehow get √3 here. ठीक है, this is one way of doing. एक तरीका है ऐसे करने का. ठीक है, पी लिया वाटर, हो गया खत्म. Did you get the answer? What else can we do here, guys? Can somebody tell me what else can be done? Okay, Shreya, I'll check it out. Hi, Shivam. What else can be done, guys? क्या करोगे आप? ऐसे वाला सवाल आ गया तो. Exactly. So as I told you here, we are going to split the middle term. Now, you'll have √3x square. Now, 11x can be written as 9x plus 2x. How? मैम आपने ये कैसे लिखा? आपने 10 plus 1 क्यों नहीं लिखा? आपने 9 plus 2 क्यों चुना? है ना? ध्यान से सुनो. Now, what is that we have? Look at the exponent, look at the coefficient of x square and look at the constant term. What is happening when you multiply them? आपको क्या आ रहा है? √3 into √3 is 3. 6 multiplied with 3 is 18. है ना? तो when you are splitting the middle term, the numbers should be in such a way that when you multiply them, you should be getting your 18. ठीक है? यहाँ पे coefficient of x square is not 1. इसीलिए multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term, you will get 18. Now, using that you have to split the middle term. तो इसीलिए मैंने 9x plus 2x लिखा क्योंकि 9 into 2 will give you 18. समझ आया? Yes or no? Thank you, Bharti. Come on, quickly एक yo दे दो मेरे को. Quickly give me a yo. Did you understand? Yes or no? नहीं? एंजल इज लाइक नहीं, समझ नहीं आया. फिर से बताओ. चलो एक बार फिर से बता देती हूँ. ठीक है? नाउ यू हैव √3x square plus 11x plus 6 √3. देखो guys, when we have a square plus a plus b into x plus a into b, the coefficient of x square is 1. But यहाँ पे coefficient of x square is not 1. So the sum of the products should be, sum of a and b has to be 11, but the product has to be coefficient of x square multiplied with ab. What is coefficient of x square? √3 multiplied with the constant term is giving you 18. So you have to find a number whose sum is 11 and product is 18. Okay? You have to find two numbers whose sum is 11 and the product is 18. अगर आपका coefficient of x square 1 नहीं है तो वो जो भी है coefficient उसको आप constant से multiply करो. This should be the product of the two numbers. समझ आया? Yes. The question is overlapping. That's why I've written the question again here, बच्चा. Lalit, समझ आया? Yes, very good. So that's why I have written it as, फिर से लिखती हूँ मैं, √3x square plus 11x plus 6 √3. Splitting the middle term, I will be having 9x plus 2x plus 6 √3. थोड़ा यहाँ पे tricky है, तो just listen to me here. Now, I will write my 9 as 3 into 3. Okay, everybody? Yes. Now, what will I take common here? Okay, 1 minute. So, what will I take common here? I will take √3x common. So, I'll be left with x plus 3 √3. Why? Because √3 multiplied with 3 √3 will give you 9. √3 into √3 is 3. 3 multiplied with 3 will give you 9. Easy peasy. So, I'll take √3 common. Plus, here I will take 2 common. अगर आपको लग रहा है मैम आपने कैसे किया ये, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? आपको पता चलेगा विथ प्रैक्टिस. ठीक है? मैं तो एक छोटा सा हिंट दे देती हूँ. इसको आप फैक्टराइज करो. ये तो इजी है. 2 कॉमन ले लोगे आप, x plus √3. बस यहाँ पे भी आपको x plus √3 होना चाहिए. ठीक है? x plus 3 √3 बस. So you'll have root 3x plus 2 multiplied with x plus 3 root 3. चलो खेल खत्म, दुकान बंद. मैम प्राइवेट क्लासेस चार्ज. प्राइवेट क्लासेस नहीं ले रही हूं मैं अभी. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी. सब मस्का लगा रहे हैं. अच्छा लग रहा है मस्का लगाने से. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स. यहाँ पे फटाफट कर लेते हैं क्योंकि ज्यादा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है नहीं, मतलब शायद से ही एक दो सवाल आएंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे प्लीज रिमेंबर द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल 180 डिग्रीज. द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज 360. बट अगर 5 या 6 या 7 साइडेड पॉलीगन होगा तो कैसे होगा? सबके नंबर्स तो हम याद नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द सम of the interior angles of a polygon, it is n minus 2 multiplied with 180 degrees. N is the number of sides. If the number of sides is 6, so how will you write? 6 minus 2 multiplied with 180 degree will give you the number of, sum of all the interior angles of a hexagon. ठीक है? Okay. Now, exterior angle का क्या है? Exterior angle का है कि you take anything, you take a polygon, a hexagon, octagon, pentagon, nonagon, decagon, the sum of the exterior angles will always be 360 degrees. हमेशा 360 degree ही रहेगा. Let us solve a question. You solve this. Come on. Find the value of x. चलो guys, इसके बाद हाँ और एक भी है. Find the value of x. This is very easy, correct. Hurry up. Do not forget to hit the like button. Let's make it 100 likes. 66 likes already हो गया है. Let's make it 100 by the end of the session, है ना? चलो. Find the value of x. x कहाँ है? यहाँ है x. Okay, I can see a lot of you giving the answers already. Amazing. तो guys, जो भी यहाँ पे angles दिए गए हैं, सारे हमारे exterior angles हैं. So does not matter what type of polygon it is. The sum of the exterior angles is always 360 degrees. So 90 plus 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 is equal to 360. वहाँ से you find the value of your x, which is equal to 50. So everybody who said D, very well done. Good job. ठीक है, चलो next आता है practical geometry and visualizing solid shapes. Practical geometry में as such कुछ आएगा नहीं. Very less chances there that they will ask you the questions. But there are a few properties you must know for triangles. Exterior angle property says the value of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the measure of the sum of two interior opposite angles. If you add all the three angles of a triangle, it is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. In a right-angled triangle, we apply the Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. गलत मतलब सही बोला है मैंने, पर ये diagram गलत है. So let's take this to be H, A and B to be the sides of AB, BC and CA. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, what happens? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Got it? That is our Pythagoras theorem. And then we have learnt about construction of triangles. When three sides are given, two angles and a side between them is given, two sides and an angle between them is given, and a right angle triangle is given. ठीक है? Quadrilaterals के लिए भी you minimum require 5 measurements to construct a unique quadrilateral. एक सवाल करते हैं, true या false बताओ, ठीक है? जल्दी because there is an IMO 2013 previous year question है ये. First statement, in a triangle, the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the interior opposite angles. True या false? The measure of an exterior angle is the sum of the measures of its opposite interior angles. True या false? विजुअलाइजिंग सॉलिड से कैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे बताऊंगी मैं, इसके बाद वही करेंगे चिराग. ट्रू या फॉल्स बस ये बता दो. हाय नीलम, ऑप्शन मत बताओ, बोलो ट्रू या फॉल्स. ट्रू. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. The sum of the measures of all the three angles of a triangle is 90. True या false? Exactly, guys, it's false. It is not 90, it has to be 180. A perpendicular is always 90 degrees to the given line of or surface. Yes, perpendicular means making an angle of 90 degrees. So yes, the correct answer is option number C. Very well done. Now बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं कि मैम विजुअलाइजिंग सॉलिड शेप से कैसे सवाल आएंगे, है ना? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स ब्रश अप द बेसिक्स. Faces, vertices, edges. Now, let me take up. मेरा यहाँ पे स्पीकर नहीं है. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मैं अपना एक बुक ले लेती हूँ, ठीक है? So this is the book I have. Cool. It's a 3D shape. It's not a flat shape. It's a 3D object. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका एक length है, एक breadth है और ये height है, ठीक है? Now, this beautiful thing that we have here is a face. Okay, this entire surface is a face. तो यहाँ पे आपको लाइन दिख रहा है, एक लाइन यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, एक लाइन यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, एक लाइन यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. These lines are called as edges, and wherever the lines are meeting, this tip is called as the vertex. ठीक है, तो ये याद रखना. Now इसमें important concept कौन सा है? Euler's formula या Euler's formula, whatever you call it. ठीक है? What does Euler's formula say? That if in a polyhedron, what is a polyhedron? It is a 3D shape where all of its faces are made up of only polygons. It can't be a curved. For example, sphere. Sphere कैसे बना है? All the faces are circle, right? It's curved. So it's not a polyhedron. Cuboid is a polyhedron. क्यों? क्योंकि every face of a cuboid is a rectangle and rectangle is a polygon. So when a 3D shape is made up of only polygons as its faces, it's called as a polyhedron. पर हमेशा ये हम बता नहीं सकते. तो what is another way? The Euler's formula, which says faces plus vertices minus edges is equals to 2. If it is equal to 2, then it is a polyhedron. If it is not equal to 2, it is not a polyhedron. As simple. Let's take up the question here. It's again a question from 2012 IMO. Which of the following cannot be a true polyhedron? एक ऑब्जेक्ट, एक 3D शेप पॉलीहेड्रॉन कब बनेगा? When faces plus vertices minus edges will be equal to 2. तो आप बताओ. Yes, चिराग, मोस्टली पॉलीहेड्रॉन के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, नहीं तो ऑयलर्स फॉर्मूला. नीलम मस्का लगा रहे तो लगाने दो ना भाई, आपको क्या दिक्कत है? मतलब सुन लिया मैंने आपकी बात, ठीक है? Few people are saying C, few people are saying A. Let's try. So for the first one, 4 plus 4 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. It's a polyhedron. 8 plus 6 minus 12. 14 minus 12, again 2. It is also a polyhedron. 5 plus 1 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. This is not a polyhedron. यहाँ पे 12 plus 20 minus 30 is 2. This is again a polyhedron. So the answer is option number C. C cannot be a polyhedron because faces plus vertices minus edges is not equal to 2. ठीक है? Okay. Easy peasy. Awesome. So this is how you will have to solve and check. If it is equal to 2, it's a polyhedron. Not equal to 2, not a polyhedron. ठीक है? तो चलो जल्दी से हम फिर क्विजेस कर लेते हैं. Everybody join back. The link is there in the description box. Okay, the link is not there in the description box. Just go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 227478. नोट्स फॉर टुडेज क्लास आपको मिल जाएगा. आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जुड़ना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. दैट इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ठीक है. ओके ओके, आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल का जो है ग्रुप हमारा, उसमें मिल जाएगा. ओके वंशिका, everybody quickly join. I'll give 2 minutes and then I'll start the quiz. Go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 227478. 227478. Chalo, let's do the next question on your screens, everybody. Find the square root of 0.00002025. The code is 227478. No problem, DS Gaming, it's okay. 227478 is the code. 30 seconds, I've given you plenty of time here. We still have linear equations to do, so let's hurry up. Hi Alima. And the timer is starting. You have 10 seconds. That's it. Two, one. That is a time up. Very good. So guys, the square root of 2025 is 45. But here, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the square root, you'll only have half of 8, which is 4 after the decimal point. So that's why B, C or D can't be the answer. C can be the answer, but the square root of 2025 is 45. So that's why 35 cannot be there. Okay, let's look at the leaderboard. We have Kshitij, Ram, Naveen, Srihari, Khushi, Ashish, Srilata, Tarun, Sada Shah and Pragya. The fifth questions on your screen, everybody. Simplify. This is linear equations. No, this is, algebraic expressions. Guys, if you're not able to join the quiz, it's okay. Once after I finish this set and go back to the theory, open vquiz.in, not .com, it's .in. In a new tab, it will ask for a code. Give the code as 227478. 70% is enough, Shivam. It's enough. Chalo, 20 seconds, please hurry up. The timer starting. Hi, Srividya. I have a friend whose name is Srividya. Do you know pen flip? No, I can only do this. Anyways, so okay, the correct answer is option D. एक ही बच्चे ने सवाल दिया है, मतलब बाकी सब बेकार है यहाँ पे. हाँ, क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? Guys, you just had to. I take your maths classes. My maths are improved. Oh, Alima, that is, that means a lot to me. Okay. So here we are using distributive property. 3x multiplied with 2x minus 3, minus 2 multiplied with 2x minus 3, 5x multiplied with x plus 1, minus 3 multiplied with x plus 1. Open up, expand, write all the x terms together and constant terms together, add and subtract the like terms. You will end up getting 9x square minus 13x plus 6. ठीक है? चलो, let's look at the leaderboard, and we have Kshitij, Ram, Naveen in the top 3. Then we have Srihari, Khushi, Ashish, Srilata, Dot. I hope Dot is Aditi. And Tarun from Chennai and Sada Shah. Your 6th questions on your screen. Two circular cylinders of equal volume have their heights in the ratio 1:2. The ratio of their radii is what? We will be doing mensuration also after this. Don't worry. Don't worry. Volume of a cylinder का formula क्या है? Pi r square h. ठीक है? So the ratio of the heights is given. You have to find the ratio of the radius. The radii. Radii is a plural of radius. Angel Lalit, as I told you, wait for me to go back to the theory. You'll have some time. Open in an incognito mode. New tab kholo. Go to www.wequiz.in and use the code 227478. ये करो, ठीक है? पर रुक जाओ. Guys, make sure that the video reaches minimum 100 likes. है ना? 2 घंटे से लगातार हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so the correct answer is option number A. Now, how is this possible? Okay, everybody, carefully listen. क्या दिया है कि pi r1 square h1 pi r2 square h2. Pi का value तो same है. So they're telling that the ratio of their height is 1:2. So r1 square by r2 square multiplied by 1/2. Okay, this is what they're telling. The ratios, sorry, the heights are in the ratio 1:2. What do we want? We want the ratio of the radii. That's what they're telling, right? Okay. Now, we want the ratio of their radii. So here, what will we do here? We already have h1 and h2. We want r1 and r2. For that, we will be equating. So, h1, h2 is in the ratio 1:2. We want r1 square and r2 square will be in what? So, basically, when you cancel them, these two, it has to be 1. So, if we reciprocate, so r1 square by r2 square is equal to 2/1. It will become 2/1. h2 by h1. So, but we want r1 by r2. So, that will be square root of this entire thing. So, square root of 2:1. So, that is why we have square root of 2:1. Easy peasy. Okay, we have a very similar question when we will do mensuration. So, don't worry. Okay. Now, I'll show you the leaderboard later, but let's quickly move forward with the next topic, the most important topic, linear equations in one variable. When do we say that a particular expression is a linear expression? Or when do we say that a particular equation is a linear equation? When the highest power of any variable is 1. 5x plus 11 is equal to 71 is a linear equation. Why? Because the highest power is 1. What is the difference between an equation and an expression? Equation mein you'll have an equal to sign. You have a left hand side and you have a right hand side. ठीक है? Okay. Now, when do you say that an equation is linear again? When the highest power of the variable is only 1. See? 1. B to the power 1, C to the power 1, R to the power 1, S to the power 1. When do we say that an linear equation in one variable? When you have only one variable. यहाँ पे you have multiple variables. You have x, y, here you have a, b, c. Multiple variables are there. If I have 5x plus 7 is equal to 8. Now this is a linear equation in one variable. Now how do we, but same sign in expression also. Sign equal to अगर है तो it's an equation. No sign, it's an expression. ठीक है? Awesome. Now how are we going to solve the equation? The first one is the balancing method, where we perform the same operation on left hand side and right hand side to isolate the variable, to quarantine the variable. We want the variable to be alone on the left hand side. So for that, we will do multiple operators. Now for this equation, I have to somehow remove phi so that x becomes alone. How can I do that? ऐसे तो उतार के नहीं फेंक सकती ना. Just take minus phi and throw it away. I can't do that. So I will add 5 so that minus 5 and plus 5 will get cancelled. But since I have added 5 on the left hand side, I have to do the same thing on the right hand side. तो बैलेंसिंग मेथड ये बोलता है कि जो भी मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कर रहे हो टू मेंटेन एन इक्विलिब्रियम, टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस, वही आपको राइट हैंड साइड पे भी करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ठीक है. The next one is a transposing method. Transposing मतलब sending one variable or constants from one side to the other. जब आप ये ट्रांसपोज कर रहे हो तो आपका साइन चेंज होगा. तो अगेन द मेन एम इज टू आइसोलेट एक्स. तो जो भी एक्स के पास आजू बाजू के नंबर्स है उनको हमें हटाना पड़ेगा. तो फर्स्ट आई स्टार्ट विद +5. व्हेन आई टेक इट टू द अदर साइड विल बिकम -5. द साइन विल चेंज. योर एडिशन विल बिकम सब्ट्रैक्शन, सब्ट्रैक्शन विल बिकम एडिशन, division will become multiplication, multiplication will become division. So addition with 5, you send it to the other side, will become subtraction with 5. So 2x is equal to 8. So 2 is getting multiplied with x to get 8. So I will divide by 2. But since it's transposing method, since multiplication with 2, you take it to the other side, will become division with 2. There you go, you got the answer. Easy peasy? Yes? क्या समझ नहीं आया शिवम एंड श्रीमती? क्या समझ नहीं आया? Easy, yes, no? Sanchi, congratulations. Which subject you most hated? I hated social science the most. Hi, Saikat. Okay, let's solve a question. The present age of Aradhana and Adrika are in the ratio 3:4. 5 years back, the ratio of their ages are 2:3. Now, what is the present age? Present ages क्या है? Of Aradhika is 3x, of Adrika is 4x. Now, 5 years back. What were their ages? Current age -5. For example, अभी आपका एज 15 years है, तो 5 साल पहले क्या था? 15? नहीं, 15 - 5 10 है ना, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. What will be for Adrika? 4x - 5. Now this is in the ratio 2:3. So 3x - 5 divided by 4x - 5 is equal to 2/3, because 5 years ago their ages are in the ratio 2:3. 5 years ago age क्या था उनका? 3x - 5, 4x - 5. Present -5. Got it? Hi Kittu. You just have to solve. How will you solve? By cross multiplying. Okay? Okay? So cross multiply. You will have 3 multiplied with 3x - 5. 2 multiplied with 4x - 5. Solve for the value of your x. Okay? Come on. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Shout out my name. भाई 2 घंटे से हम shout ही कर रहे हैं ना? My throat is hurting, but we have so much to do. Come on, come on, let's do it. चलो, let's do mensuration because linear equation का और एक हम सवाल करेंगे sample paper का, ठीक है? Mensuration में please remember formulas. अगर आपने formulas याद नहीं किए हैं तो भगवान ही बचा सकता है आपको. Because in this everything is related to formulas only. Please learn formulas. ठीक है, तो ग्रेड 8 में हमने कुछ नया सीखा है and there is something called Heron's formula. Heron's formula, it is not there in your NCERT CBSE syllabus. ठीक है, पर ये IMO के syllabus में है. That's why we will be doing. Now using how do we find the area of a triangle if the height is not given but the length of all the three sides are given? So we have a triangle A, B, C. The length of the three sides are given. How do we find area? First find out small s. What is s? Perimeter by 2. A plus B plus C by 2 will give you the value of your s. Okay? Now how do you find the area? Square root of s multiplied with s minus A, s minus B, s minus C. This is your Heron's formula. This will come. Okay, it's not there in your CBSE, it's there in your IMO ka syllabus. Okay? Okay. Again, what is your S? Perimeter of the triangle by 2. What is perimeter? Sum of the lengths of the three sides. So A plus B plus C by 2. So area is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay? Let's do a question on this, but before that, let's go through all the formulas. Surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area is where we take 6 faces. Lateral surface area is where we take 4 faces. Total surface area of a cuboid, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Lateral surface area is we are taking only 4 walls into consideration. So that is 2H into L plus B. For a cube, lateral surface area matlab only 4 walls. So 4A square. Total surface area 6 walls, 6A square. Okay? Cylinder. Total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h, where r is the radius, h is the height. If I say curved surface area, okay, that will be pi r h. This is curved surface area, not TSA, CSA. Only the curved surface area, it is 2 pi r h. Okay, got it? Okay. Next, volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Volume of a cube, A into A into A, where A is the side length, or here it is given as S into S into S. Volume of a cylinder, pi r square into h. ठीक है? एक सॉल्व करते हैं हेरोइन्स फॉर्मूला. ठीक है? चल. गाइस, जिसको जो भौंकना है लाइव चैट में उनको भौंकने दो, है ना? Let's just ignore the spammers. Concentrate on the video. Cool? The size of the triangular field are 126 meters, 168 meters and 210 meters. Find the area. कैसे find out करोगे? Using the Heron's formula. First, find out the value of your S. Perimeter by 2. After you get the value of your S, your area will be square root of S multiplied with S minus A, multiplied with S minus B, multiplied with S minus C. Okay? This is Heron's formula. Okay? So A plus B plus C by 2 will give you 256. So 252 multiplied with 252 minus 126, 252 minus 168, 252 minus 210. You solve it, you will get the value of 10,584 meters square. ठीक है? Okay? आपके स्पेक्स में लाइट दिख रही है? Very nice, very nice. क्या कर रहे हैं अब हम? ग्लास है, रिफ्लेक्ट तो करेगा ही. चलो, your next question, you are going to tell me how to solve this. Water is pouring into a cubical reservoir at the rate of 45 liters per 1 minute. 1 minute में 45 liters of water is going into the reservoir. How much time will it take to fill the entire reservoir if the total volume of the reservoir is 54 meter cube? यहाँ पे liters per minute पे दिया है, पर volume दिया है meter cube में. What is the relation between liters and meter cube? Can somebody tell me? चलो 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 चलो, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What is the relation? No idea. Very bad, very bad. गाइस कन्वर्जन्स याद रखो, किलोमीटर्स टू मीटर, सेंटीमीटर्स टू किलोमीटर, सब कुछ, ग्राम्स टू केजी याद रखो भाई. ये नो आइडिया मतलब फिर तो हो गया IMO. Okay, so 1000 meter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 54 meter cube will be how much? 54,000 liters. तो 45 liters के लिए they're taking 1 minute. तो 54,000 liters के लिए कितना समय लेंगे? 54,000 divided by 45. I guess this is around 120 minutes if I'm not wrong. है ना? 120 minutes. Check करते हैं. हाँ. Sorry, not 120. 1200. There's an extra zero here. Yeah, 1200 minutes. But we want in hours. Now what do we know? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. But we have 1200 minutes. That will be 1200 by 60, which is equal to 20 hours. तो कितना समय लगेगा? 20 घंटे लगेंगे पूरा रिजर्वायर को भरने के लिए. Okay, come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Did everybody understand yo or no? This is the solution, everybody. Yo or no? Okay. First, whenever in a question, two different unit of measurements are given. एक लीटर है, एक मीटर क्यूब में है, तो convert everything into the same one. Convert both into meter cube या convert both. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am extremely sorry, guys. मैंने यहाँ पे उल्टा लिखा है. ओहो. Okay, okay. It is the other way around. Extremely sorry about it. It is 1 liter is equals to 1000 meter cube. What was I thinking? Yeah, it's the other way around. So your 45 liters will be how much? It will be 45,000 meter cube. So after you convert that, you can go. Okay, okay. So we have 54,000 meter cube as what? Cool? Yes, yes, yes. Apologies. Apologies for that. So यहाँ पे we have 1000. Sorry, you can take 1 meter cube as 1000 liters. So 54 meter cube will be 1000 multiplied with 54. That is 54,000 meter cube. मैंने ये सही लिखा था पर मैंने यहाँ पे गड़बड़ कर दी. ठीक है? Everybody, 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. Did you get it? Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Chalo. So they'll fill it in 20 hours. Cool. Next questions on your screens, everybody. A juice seller has filled juice in a cylindrical container of radius 28 centimeters, height 60 centimeters. If he's selling the juice in cylindrical glasses of radius 3.5 centimeters and height 8 centimeters, how many glasses of juice can he sell? Okay. Now, Nishid, it is 10 mm. 1 centimeter is 10 mm. Okay. Priya, और थोड़ा time बचा है, ठीक है? Let's just do this. So, volume of the container divided by volume of the glass will give you the number of glasses. ये याद रखो, ठीक है? Volume of the container, pi r square h, where the radius is 28, height is 60. Volume of the glass, where the radius is 3.5, height is 8. ठीक है? ठीक है? Cool. तो हम एक 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते हैं. 5 मिनट में 2 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते हैं. Okay? We will be shortly back in a minute. Everybody. इसके बाद हम करेंगे डायरेक्ट और इनवर्स. ये आखिरी होगा. इसके बाद हाँ, ये आखिरी है. ठीक है? Very easy peasy. Then we will solve our questions. Cool? सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे. एक काम करते हैं, इसको भी निपटा देते हैं. निपटा दे या 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले. आप बताओ. 5 मिनट नहीं, 1 मिनट का ब्रेक। थैंक यू चिराग। चलो चलो चलो, निपटा दो, निपटा दो, ब्रेक नहीं चाहिए। चलो निपटा देते हैं। ओ माय गॉड, आई लव यू गाइस, नो ब्रेक्स। ओके, लेट्स जस्ट डू इट देन। ओके, सो डायरेक्ट और इनवर्स वेरिएशन में ये है कि अगर आपके पास दो वेरिएबल्स है x एंड y, the value of x is increasing, that means value of y is also increasing. और अगर x डिक्रीज हो रहा है, y भी डिक्रीज हो रहा है। अगर ये पैटर्न आपको दिख रहा है कि दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, दोनों इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं या दोनों डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं, that's when you say that they are directly proportionate to each other. They are indirect, they are not indirect, they are directly proportionate to each other. Then you can say that x is in proportion with y, or you can say x by y will always be a constant. ठीक है, तो डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन में यहाँ पे x1 by y1 will be equal to x2 by y2. ठीक है, ओके। नाउ इनवर्स में क्या है, उल्टा। अगर x इंक्रीज हो रहा है, y आपका डिक्रीज होगा। अगर x डिक्रीज हो रहा है, y आपका इंक्रीज होगा। तो x is proportionate to 1 by y. So that's why x multiplied with y will always be a constant. So we have x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Guys, इसमें सवाल कैसे आएंगे? Let's take an example here. 1 by 4. The weight of 9 sheets of thick paper is 30 grams. How many sheets of the same paper would weigh 1 by 4 kg? एक ग्राम्स में दिया है, एक kg में दिया है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will convert both of them into grams, ये both of them into kg. ठीक है? So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 1 by 4 is actually 5 by 4 kg. Will be how much? 5 by 4 multiplied with 1000. 4 into 1, 4 into 250. Okay. So 250 multiplied with 5 will give you 1250. Did I do it right? Or did my brain stop working already? Okay, so sorry. Yeah, correct. Okay, 1250. What is this? This is grams. Okay, guys, this is grams. It's not kg. ये क्या है? ये grams है. So two things are involved: weight of the number of papers and weight. If the number of papers are increasing, what will happen to the weight? The weight will increase या decrease. आप ये मुझे बताओ कि ये direct proportion है या indirect proportion? Come on, quickly everybody. क्या ये डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन है या इनडायरेक्ट? मुझे आंसर मत दो, ठीक है? 375 नहीं सुनना है। एग्जैक्टली डायरेक्ट, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ पेपर्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, वेट विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज। 9 शीट्स का 30 ग्राम्स है, तो कितने शीट्स हो सकते हैं जिनका वेट है 1250? ये है हमारा डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन। वेट इज इंक्रीजिंग, नंबर ऑफ पेपर्स इंक्रीजिंग, सो x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Find the value by cross multiply. ठीक है? Okay, everybody. स्टार धीरज, हाँ मैं थोड़ा थक गई हूँ, ठीक है, पर हम चलो निपटाते हैं। Now direct proportion है when one is increasing, the other quantity is also increasing. या one is decreasing, with the result y will also decrease. Direct proportion में याद रखना x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2 always. Now indirect क्या है? Indirect proportion में क्या होगा? अगर x increase हो रहा है तो उसके वजह से y decrease होगा, या अगर x decrease हो रहा है उसके वजह से y increase होगा। तो indirect proportion में x1 y1 will be equal to x2 y2 always. ठीक है, तो ये आप याद रखो बस, direct proportion, inverse proportion. Okay, chalo. 1200 soldiers in a fort had enough food for 28 days. Number of soldiers, number of days. जब 1200 soldiers थे, the food lasted for 28 days. After 4 days, some soldiers were transferred to another fort. तो जो 1200 थे उनमें से थोड़े लोग चले गए. They went to another fort. कितने लोग गए हमें पता नहीं है, तो इसीलिए we will take 1200 minus x. And the food lasted for 32 days. Of course, अगर घर में एकदम से 10 लोग आ गए तो ऐसे निपट जाएगा खाना, पर अगर 2 ही लोग हैं बहुत ज्यादा खाना है तो इट लास्ट फॉर अ वीक. तो ये डायरेक्ट है या इनवर्स, ये बता दो. इज इट डायरेक्ट या इनवर्स? शिवम इसके बाद मैं रोकूंगी, फिर उसके बाद हम सैंपल पेपर करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके, क्या ये डायरेक्ट है या इनवर्स, प्लीज बता दो. एग्जैक्टली, नंबर ऑफ सोल्जर्स आर डिक्रीजिंग, द फूड इज लास्टिंग फॉर मोर डेज. So x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. समझ गए? इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. वेरी गुड एवरीबॉडी, वेरी नाइस. तो गाइस एक बार अगर पता चल गया कि ये डायरेक्ट है या इनवर्स है, उसके बाद तो आसान है. इनवर्स होगा तो x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. डायरेक्ट होगा x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. ठीक है? ओके, चलो 1 मिनट का ब्रेक लेंगे हम, ठीक है? उसके बाद हम सॉल्व करेंगे सैंपल पेपर, ठीक है? कूल. चलो 1 मिनट का लेंगे ब्रेक, मैं वॉशरूम यूज करके आती हूँ 1 मिनट में. तो गाइस होल्ड ऑन, वी विल सॉल्व अ सैंपल पेपर. Okay, we are back. Okay, guys, quickly give me a yo in the chat box. देखो सबको भूख लग रहा है, हाँ या ना? भूख लग रहा है सबको? हाय लोहित, भूख लग रहा है? शिवम को लग रहा है, किट्टू को भी लग रहा है ना? मुझे भी लग रहा है यार, क्या करे. नीलम आपको क्यों नहीं लग रहा है भाई? साइकत को भी नहीं लग रहा है भूख. अच्छा ठीक है, देखो मुझे तो बहुत भूख लग रहा है, और जब मैं भूखी होती हूँ तो मैं हैंग्री हो जाती हूँ, है ना? लाइक हंग्री प्लस एंग्री. So when you're hungry and you're like you're not getting the food and you become hangry, है ना? तो before I change into a hangry person, let's finish solving the sample paper, ठीक है? देख लेते हैं कि कैसे टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, क्या हम वो कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये भी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? चैतन्य, फैक्टराइजेशन हमने कर लिया है. We have already done factorization. We have done so many problems also. कहाँ थे आप? आप नहीं थे. मैंने कर लिया है, देख लेना आप. आप खाते नहीं हो ज़्यादा. वाह. Anyways, so let's do the sample paper, guys. ठीक है. हाँ, थक गई हूँ मैं. चलो कर लेते हैं, है ना. शायद इसी में से थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चंस आ जाए. तो मैं अभी लॉजिकल रीजनिंग टच नहीं करूंगी इसमें. मैं टच करूंगी आपका मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग, एवरीडे मैथमेटिक्स एंड अचीवर्स सेक्शन. 3 सेक्शन हम कर लेंगे आज, ठीक है. तो वी विल बी डूइंग 3 सेक्शंस हियर एवरीबॉडी. ओके, 1 मिनट. ओके, कहाँ गया भाई. ओके एवरीबॉडी, are you able to see the questions? Quickly yo लिख दो. Quickly write a yo in the chat box. Are you able to see the questions, yo or no? चलो मैं भी एक बार देख ही लेती हूँ, दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है. दिख रहा है ना. ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं. अंताक्षरी लेके प्रभु का नाम. यहाँ पे अंताक्षरी नहीं करेंगे हम. चलो. ओके, so we will not be doing the logical reasoning. उसके बाद हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, but I will be doing everyday mathematics, mathematical reasoning and achievers section. ठीक है. Okay, Vanshika, sorry. Where will I get sample paper? एक तो मैं कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको और करना है, just type IMO sample papers, you will get. ठीक है. Not understood. What not understood, Rajendra? अभी तो शुरू हुआ है बच्चा. चलो, starting with the first one. Area of a rectangle is given by 6x square y plus 4y square x and the width of the rectangle is given as 2xy. Find the perimeter. Perimeter find out करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए होता है? आपको चाहिए होता है लेंथ और आपको चाहिए होता है ब्रेथ. ब्रेथ ऑलरेडी दिया गया है, आपको चाहिए होगा लेंथ. How will you get your length? Length will be equal to area divided by the breadth. So 6x square y plus 4y square x divided by 2xy. यहाँ से आप लेंथ फाइंड आउट करो. जब आपको लेंथ आ जाएगा, then you use the perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. Come on, give me a heart right now to tell me कि हाँ मैम ये क्वेश्चन हम कर सकते हैं. Come on. हाँ या ना, हार्ट दे दो भाई जल्दी से जल्दी. श्रेया कर सकती है, श्रेया ने हार्ट दे दिया. बाकी चिराग भी कर सकता है. और कौन कौन कर सकते हो? कर सकते हो आप. शिवम कर सकता है, वेरी नाइस. प्रेम भी कर सकता है, साइकत कर सकता है, अमेजिंग. ओके, तो बेसिकली कर सकते हो. इजी था ना. चलो, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. इन अ क्लास ऑफ 100 स्टूडेंट्स 30% of the students were offered English, 20% offered Hindi. ठीक है. English के कितने हैं भाई? 30%. Okay. Oh wait, I don't think you're able to see here. Okay, let me. हाँ, तो English के कितने हैं? 30%. हिंदी के कितने हैं? 20%. Now पूछ क्या रहे हैं? What is the probability that he has offered English? Probability of getting English क्या है? कितना परसेंट इंग्लिश है? 30 out of 100. So what is the probability? 3/10. तो आंसर क्या हुआ? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. इजी था. हाँ, चलो 6th question. Oh my God, look at the 6th question, everybody. I want everybody to carefully look at the 6th question. If 3 to the power x plus y is 81 and 81 to the power x minus y is 3 to the power 8, find the values of x and y. ये करें हम सॉल्व. ये आप कर सकते हो या मैं करूं? 3 to the power x plus y is equal to 81. 81 is 3 to the power 4. That means your x plus y is equal to 4. Now 81 to the power x minus y मतलब 3 to the power 4 whole to the power x minus y is equal to 3 to the power 8. So 3 to the power 4x minus 4y is equals to 3 to the power 8. मतलब 4 of x minus y is equal to 8. X minus y is 2. X minus y is 2. X plus y is 4. कैन यू सॉल्व फॉर एक्स एंड वाई? कर लेंगे, कर लेंगे. यस. हाय आकांक्षा, वेलकम वेलकम. Awesome. Mind will explode. Very easy question, bacha. It's not explode. Okay. Chalo. Last question. Saikat earns twice as much in a month of March as in each of the other months of the year. What is the part of his entire annual earnings? What part of his entire annual earnings were earned in were earned in March? किसको किसको ये ऐसे ऊपर से निकल गया, सर के ऊपर से निकल गया क्या? 7th क्वेश्चन. हाँ या ना? किस किस को ये सर के ऊपर से निकल गया, जल्दी बताओ. अंडरस्टूड? सर के ऊपर से निकला शिवम? चलो ये बता देते हैं ये वाला, ठीक है. ओके. नाउ कितने महीने हैं मंथ में? 12. ठीक है. सो एवरी मंथ ही इज अर्निंग सपोज से x रुपीज. जनवरी x, फेब्रुवरी x, पर मार्च में 2x. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स गिवन ट्वाइस एज ईच मंथ. तो 11 मंथ्स के लिए इट विल बी 11x प्लस मार्च में कितना? 2x. तो कितना हुआ टोटल? 13x. व्हाट डू वी वांट? अ पार्ट ऑफ द होल. तो मार्च में कितना अर्न किया उसने? 2x डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल कितना अर्न किया? 13x. x x कैंसिल, 2/13. समझ आया या नहीं आया? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Yo if you understood, no if you did not understand. Yo. Awesome, awesome. देखो मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग हमने कर ली, एवरीडे मैथमेटिक्स कर लिया, मतलब पास हो गए. पास मतलब we have done well, है ना? Awesome, thank you Pooja. Let's do the 8th question. Very amazing question. Carefully see. The total ages of Jiva, Kunal and Sagar is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages are 2:3:4. Find the present age of Sagar. Now, आप सोच रहे होंगे मैम पहले तो दो लोगों का दिया है तो बहुत ही आसान हो गया, अब कैसे करें? Now carefully see. It's given that Jia plus Kunal plus Sagar is equal to 93. Ages of all three of them is 93. 10 years ago, their ages are in the ratio 2:3:4. So what will be the present age? 10 years ago आपका अगर एज 18 है तो आज आपका एज कितना है? बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. 10 years ago 18 है तो आज का एज कितना है आपका? Who is going to tell me this? Exactly, you're going to add 10 to this. तो 10 years ago उनका एज है 2x, 3x and 4x. तो प्रेजेंट एज कितना होगा? 2x plus 10, 3x plus 10 and 4x plus 10. 10 years ago का एज 3x, 4x and 2x plus 10. That will give you the present age. So if you add all of them together, you will get 93. Find the value of x. फिर you have to find the present age of Sagar. So 4x plus 10 will give you the present age. Awesome. Yes, everybody. Cool. Now ये वाला मैं आप पे छोड़ देती हूँ. Which of the following is incorrect? You have to find the count the number of faces, vertices and edges. ठीक है? Okay. Cool. Awesome. Okay, a lot of you have already got the answer. It's not 28 बच्चा, 28 option में है ही नहीं. कौन सा सवाल था ये? 8वां सवाल. It's 38, not 28. ठीक है? Okay, easy. Awesome. ये सवाल देखो भाई, ये है असली सवाल. कहाँ गए हम? हाँ, Come on, let's come back to this because ऐसे सवाल एक ज्योमेट्री से जरूर आएगा. ठीक है? Now, it is given that your PQ is parallel to RS. Okay? And your AB is equal to BR. तो अगर AB is equal to BR, ये वाला जो आपका है ये भी 29 है. Because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. तो वो भी आपका 29 होगा. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वैल्यूज ऑफ x, y एंड z. ठीक है? एवरीबॉडी लिसन. दिस इज 29. Why? Because your AB is equal to BR, angle A will be equal to angle ARB. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, what are they telling? That your RS and your PQ are parallel. तो ये रहा आपका ट्रांसवर्सल. तो दिस एंगल will be equal to this angle because alternate interior angles are equal. So from there, what do we get? This is 29. This angle will be 82. 50 plus 32, 82. Now, in triangle PRE, the sum of the three angles should be 180. 82 plus 29 plus y is equal to 180. यहाँ से आपका वैल्यू ऑफ y कितना आएगा? 69 डिग्रीज. वैल्यू ऑफ y आ गया आपका 69 डिग्री. Now we have to find the value of x and value of z. Again, your RS is parallel to PQ. Okay, right? Got it? Now this is our transversal. So this angle 32 will be equal to this angle 32. Why? Because alternate interior angles. ठीक है? समझ आ गया अभी? That is alternate. So this will be 32. Easy peasy. Now if this is 82, this also will be 82. Opposite interior angles are equal. And if this is parallel to this and this is the transversal, we have this is equal to this. Corresponding angles are equal. So we have this also as 82. Understood? ये सब ऊपर जा रहा है, सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है सब कुछ, है ना? सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है, हाँ या ना? Okay. समझ आ रहा है? Very nice. So stick with me here. This is 29. We got y as 69. And since these two are parallel and this is the transversal, this will be 32. Okay. Now these two are parallel. This is the transversal. What will be this angle here? Can somebody tell me what will be that angle? ये होगा 98. Okay. Because this is I guess 82 if I'm not wrong. हाँ 82 होगा. तो ये होगा 82. Okay. Now let's take the bigger triangle. In triangle ARD, angle A plus angle R plus angle D should be 180. तो यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा angle D, which is equal to 72 degree. ठीक है? यहाँ 72 आ गया. Now in triangle BRD, 50 plus 72 plus x is equal to 180. यहाँ से आपका आएगा x value. Now उससे यहाँ पे find out करो and you'll get the value of z as vertically opposite angles. Guys हमने बस एक ही यूज किया है भाई यहाँ पे. Alternate interior angles are equal and the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That's all we have used. ठीक है? Okay. चलो. With this we have come to an end. अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है तो प्लीज अभी पूछिएगा. ठीक है? मेरा तो एनर्जी पूरा ड्रेन आउट हो गया है. So first of all the best for all of you for your what do you call it, exam, for your NSO. कुछ डाउट है तो इस वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन पे आप भर दो आपके डाउट्स. आई विल ट्राई टू रिप्लाई बैक. ठीक है? और कल होगा ग्रेड 7th IMO का रिविजन at 8 o'clock. ठीक है? Okay, thank you so much, Chirag. Thank you so much for staying till since the beginning of the session. Chalo, all the best, guys. I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope this session is super useful before your IMO. Do share it with your friends. And बस ये एक वीडियो देख लो, आपको कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं होगा, ठीक है? So thank you so much. I will again see you in the next class. Until then, bye bye and take care.